Yo, what? Wait, let me stop this song. Is this song still playing? Shivansh Negi, what's up, bro? Hi, what's up? What's up? Are you currently doing intern? Yes, I'm. Will you share solutions? No, bro. We are here just to attempt the contest together. Lose rating. I'll hide my screen. Hi, Babu Kavish, bro. I missed you, bro. Where have you been? What's up? Is that time? Piyush is here. What's up, Piyush, bro? Sardi. Now, bro. I mean, it has reduced, but it's still there. In 6M, bro, should I continue with Monstack or start Java full stack? I'm Okayish DSA. I would say go with Java, Spring Boot and all that. But never mind. Hi, everybody. I am streaming after 1 week, 2 weeks, I know. Cozy Cafe Beats. What's up? What's up, bro? Good luck. Thank you, bro. I need it. It's that time. It's that goddamn time of week again. Wherein solution bhejoge again. No, bro, Aryan, we don't share solutions here. Like, I guess you're new here. We don't. In fact, that's what I'm saying. It's that damned time of the week again, wherein, bro, I just realized bi-weekly is like a mass rating loss ritual. MRLR. Rating, bro, mass rating loss ritual. That's it. Sub single or aaj contest. I didn't even think of that. Wait, why are we giving contests today? Sarthak, bro, why are you giving contests today? That's crazy. Wow. I didn't think of that. Yup. I'm gonna get depressed today and tomorrow, same. The worst part, Punesh was my Valentine. We just got. This guy started again, bro. This guy started again. The worst part, you know what? What's the worst part of giving contest today? Let's go. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Let's go. What's the worst part of giving contest today? This. Look at my rating. My screen is visible, right? Yes. Look at my goddamn rating. It's literally 4 away from 1800. And you know what? Today, I can bet 1000 rupees on the fact that it's gonna go below 1790. I haven't been doing DSA, I haven't been practicing. And to top it off, this is bi weekly. This is bi weekly. Bro, when did you start learning DSA? 5, 6 months ago. All jokes aside, to Purish, why I'm watching you with my bandi. Now, see, if you told me you became knight, I would have been this much jealous. But the statement that you gave, damn, bro, congrats, bro. Why are you watching my stream if you're with your girl? Why are you watching my stream? Yo, bro, let's go. This is my second contest, by the way. I gave one, and my rating is 1578. Here's I hoping to hit 1590. Good luck, bro. Good luck. Maybe single you buy. That's a blatant lie, but never mind. That's a blatant lie. Today you reaching knight, I guess. Today I'm losing. I'm going back to 1790. I am damn sure about that. I have not been practicing DSA, bro. I'm so bad at DSA. So, Kavish, are you not attempting the contest? Hello. What's up? Hello, bro. Reaching knight today. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Altu negative rating ko Altu. I need that today. I need that. Bro, 1540, 54 after 11 contests. Rating nahi bad rahi, depressed so much. I'm in the same boat. If you want your rating to be safe, stop giving bi-weekly. Bi-weekly ko always give virtual. Bi-weekly mein bhayanak cheating hoti hai, bro. In last two contests, I did all kill. Let's see if it will be a head trick today. Are we looking at this guy? Uday Maurya. Look at this guy's flex. All kill in the last two contests. And now he's looking for a hat trick, bro. Damn. All the best, bro. All the best. I'll give the contest, but I have to go now, Baje. I'm at her place only. Bro, this guy is winning in life. What is Kavish's rating, bro? What is Kavish's rating? Bro, happy for you. What is your rating? Are you a knight already? Are you a knight already? Bro, let me follow him. 1810. You're about to become a knight. And he grinds LeetCode and he can pull girls. That's a very rare combination of skills, but I'm happy for you. Not a lie. Okay. The contest is about to start. The contest is about to start. How do I blur my screen? No. Yeah, this is how I blur my screen. Let's start, bro. All the best to everybody. All the best to me myself. It's gonna start in the next 30 seconds. Okay. Good luck, good luck. Is it gonna give rate limit today? Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Pudish, bro. Hi, bro. Hi. All the best, same to you. Is it gonna give rate limiting today? That rate limiting bullshit. I'm pretty sure it will. Let's hope. Let's hope not. Continue. Okay, join now. Join now. Continue. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, 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 okay. A screen is hidden, right? Yep. Yeah. Rate limiting bullshit again. Oh. Weighted word mapping. Please don't involve ASCII values. Please don't involve ASCII values. What did I say? What did I say? Every story of every goddamn contest. In fact, every bi-weekly. It's not there in weekly, but this is the same story of every. Wait. Okay, it worked. You're given an array of strings word where each string represents a word. You're also given an integer array weights where weights are represent the weight of ith lowercase English letter. For each weight, take its weight modulo 26 and map the result to a. Okay. 0 to Z? What the fuck, bro? Bro, the weight of A is 5. Okay. The result modulo 26. 8, which maps to R. Okay, it's not. Yeah, it's a bullshit question, bro. Hmm. Lucas. C minus A weights of num, right? And in the end, modulo 26. We take it modulo 26 and 0 becomes Z. So Z, if it was Z, if it was 26, it becomes A. Bro, let's see. Mm. What am I even doing? Bullshit question, bro. How do I map it? How do I map it? Car x equals to. Oh, wait. Probably like this. Yep. Okay, wait. SJK. Fuck. Why? I guess it's some. Okay. I think it's probably this. Why? R-I-J. What's the edge case here? What's the edge case here? G. Yeah, what's the edge case here? 100, 10, 26. There's no way this is wrong. There's no way this is wrong. Good luck. Good luck. Next, next. How do I go to the next question? Wait, how do... Not bad, not bad. 5 minutes, first question down. Okay, on to the next one. You're given an array of string words and an integer k. Two words in array of strings and an integer. Two words A and B at distinct indexes are prefix connected. What? If A, what the hell is it even saying? You're given an array of string words. Okay, two words A, B are at distinct indices are prefix connected if A equals to B. A connected group is a set of words such that each pair of words is prefix connected. Return the number of connected groups that contain at least two words formed from the given word. What the fuck is it even saying? Oh, so two words, if they have the first k characters as equal, they are connected. Is a set of words such that each pair of words is prefix connected. Return the number of connected groups that contain at least two words formed from the given words. Words with length less than k cannot join any group. Duplicate strings are treated as separate words. A prefix of a string is a substring that starts from the beginning. Okay, okay. Words sharing the same first k equals to two letters are grouped together. Right, okay. Apple, apply, 0 to k minus 1. Okay. So the first, okay. Thus, these are two connected groups and each containing at least two words. What do we have to return? Number of connected groups that contain. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is bullshit. Is there something else that I should look out for? Hmm. How do you find substrings, bro? String s of... Ooh, how do you... Substring function in CPP. Using... Bro, what is it even saying? Substring? Extract a substring starting from index 7 with a length k. Okay. String s prefix equals to s str. Okay, s dot substring starting from index 0 and the length would be k. Okay, if s... Bro, okay. Another map and okay, hash of greater than 1. Please, for the love of God, work. 2. Third one we're getting 1. Then what even is this question then? Where's the edge case that I'm gonna fail at? The third one we're getting 2. But there has to be something I'm doing wrong. It can't be this simple. What's the bullshit? Word's length is 100, k is 100. There's no way I get a TLE in here. It's just 5000 and 100. No, that wouldn't be. Duplicate strings are treated as separate words. We don't care. We are just extracting the prefix. And I'm ignoring them. Bro, should I submit it? A connected group is a set of words such that each pair of prefixes Should I submit it? Bro, please, please. There's nothing wrong that can happen here. They're asking for int, I'm giving int. No int overflow, nothing. Please, please. Oh my god, I'm so relieved. Thank you, God, bro. I'm relieved now. Chat, I'm relieved. I'm relieved. I'm relieved, bro. I'm relieved. Forgot to join the contest? You can join right now. You can join right now. Bro, I'm so relaxed now. Because at least, let's look at my rating. The thing is, it's a high chance I don't lose rating today. I won't get 1,600. I mean, of course, it's gonna go till 5,000. But yeah, I'm, yeah, I'm happy with the first two questions. See, I'm not even looking at the third question now. You are a professional robber. Interesting. Planning to rob houses along a street. Is this binary search? Nah. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed and is protected by a security system with color code. You're given two integer array, nums and colors, both of length n. Where nums I is the amount of money in the ith house and colors I. Okay, every house has some money and is painted some color. You cannot rob two adjacent houses if they share. Wait. Then the maximum amount of money you can rob? What's the length here? 10 raised to 5. What? Bro, I swear to God, I've seen this question somewhere. A very similar looking question. But I don't remember it. Was it binary search? Was it DP? What was it? I'm pretty sure people will be able to do it, but I would not. Because I don't remember. Choose houses. Is this binary search? If you can rob, let's say, X amount, can you obviously rob X minus 1? Wait. If you can rob 100 rupees, you can obviously rob 90. Can you? No, you cannot. This looks more like DP. I don't know. Bro. Colors. What? Long, long. What am I missing here? So choose I. I don't know, bro. The worst part is I'm not even thinking to find a solution. I'm just straight up coding. Let's see. Vector in the hand. A what? Okay, we'll get that. We'll take a. How is this? Okay. Okay. If okay. Current color equals to colors PTR Yep. What? Answer equals to uh okay. Okay. PTR plus 1. Rev color becomes color, comma, error, colors, and skip equals to rev color, ARR, and colors. Okay. Max between your Rob and skip. Bro, what's the catch with this question? Where am I going wrong? What? Okay. Okay, one bullshit I'm doing is int. It needs long, but okay. Error and two adjacent houses. Oh, the color. Oh, hmm. Rule robbed previous. Okay. Okay. Now I see what I was doing. Okay, bro. I'm a stupid as. Hmm. Then I would rather say than doing this if uh no let's let's go that way. It's more like if you robbed previous one, if colors of PTR equals to colors of PTR, then you can only skip, and then you can only skip. But then absolutely, absolutely. Else, okay, you go with this. Okay, int rob. Okay, you robbed it. So, hmm, if you okay, okay, bro. Else, if you didn't, then you can rob or hmm, hmm. Wait, skip means what am I doing? Skip means okay. Now this should be fine. 0. Did you rob previously? No, you did not. Return answer, return answer. Let's see. I wrote some code. Infinite loop? Infinite loop you're talking about? Okay, it was a pointer plus 1. What am I? It means false, and then there's error. Please work. 9. Oh, Wait, it is actually 9. 8, 22. This can't be real, bro. This can't be real. Mm, vector int hash. This can't be real. No way. Oh, I also have to change int into long bullshit. Yep. The first one would be the pointer. Okay. Mm, vector int. It's all positive values, right? Yep. Vector int is going to be of size 2 and filled with -1. Hmm. No way. Bro, I need to change it to long. Need to change everything to long. Let's just define a macro, bro. I'm not getting an int overflow today. I might get a TLE, bro. That wouldn't surprise me, but int overflow, not today. Not today. Is there a single int left in my code anywhere? Mm-hmm. So we're getting 22 and 8 and 9. What's the catch here, bro? I still feel like I'm missing something. You cannot drop two adjacent houses if they share the same color code. That only can be the only thing that gives me wrong. There's no way I get a TLE in this. Let me submit it. Please work. Please. Three questions within what? Within 23 minutes. Three questions within 23 minutes. Three questions within 23 minutes, bro. What's happening? What's happening today? That's actually crazy, bro. Three questions within 23 minutes. No way. Oh, no. Did I show my code? Bro. Three question in 10 minutes, bro. All time fast. Ayush. Bro. Congratulations. किसका थर्ड पे लगा wrong answer? We are growing, bro, together. GG's, bro. I'm so happy I decided to attempt. I was in fact wondering what's my rank today. Should we end the stream? Oh, this contest is a joke. What's my rank? What's my rank? The thing is, I become too what do you call it? I'm not confident in myself. Like every time I write the correct code, I still take five, not five, but 2, 3 more minutes just to verify everything. Bro, good contest. I'm ending the stream. Bye. It's time to visit washroom. Why? Why? मेरा भी हुआ 23 minutes में. Damn. This is a very easy contest. Probably the easiest ever. I was in fact like wondering there has to be some catch. What's my rank, bro? Show my rank. 1.2k people did it already. Show my rank. It's not showing my rank, yaar. And then it's gone off. भाई मेरा 19 में रॉन्ग आंसर की वजह से सबमिट ही नहीं किया. 19. Wrong answer किसमें है आदेश bro? भाई drop ले लूँ क्या और tier 3? Bro, it really depends. Yeah, if you lock in and get into a good college, it's definitely a good thing. 1.9k rank. Hmm. Okay, bro. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. It's gonna fall till 5k. Bro, I might as well reach 1810 if I get ranked. Okay, we're not looking. This is a segmentary question, right? Somebody told in chat, so we can't do it. In fact, now since we have so much time left, we can rather learn segmentary, bro. And bro's throwing salutes. Yes, sir. You did first three. Yes, I did. Now, what do you know what Pradeep is gonna say? He started from the last question and he did last three. मेरा third solve हो गया but show नहीं कर रहा. Wait, wait. Is it showing for me? Is it showing for me? Bro, it's not showing. Bro, why am I showing my code again and again? Why is it not showing it? Then my rank. No. अबे यार. It should, at the end of the contest, it should show that I did three questions in 23 minutes. If it doesn't do that, I saw the timer. If it doesn't do that, bro, we need to sue lead code together. Is it sue or sue? I can't open lead code. Bro, I got penalty in second. Pradeep, bro, you got penalty in second? भाई नहीं बढ़ गया मेरा भी नहीं हो रहा. Bro, with college and were you a dropper? No, I was not a dropper. Today first three are easy. Absolutely, very easy, bro. Very easy. Bro, how did Pradeep get a penalty? I thought we have to return all the ways for a for a combination. Oh, okay. 266 rank. I use Jangir, bro. What's your current rating? What's your current rating? I need to submit it again. Unknown network error. You. The only day I did three questions within 23 minutes, it shows this bullshit bug. भाई कॉन्टेस्ट में पेनल्टी के डर से सबमिट नहीं कर पाता है. एग्जैक्टली ब्रो. कोड सेकर. ओ योर कोड सेकर. ओ I'll check yours. Unknown. Why doesn't lead rate limited? Wait, why did it go to contest? I never clicked on the contest tab. Lead code website is so ass. This is gonna cost me. It's showing solved here. It's showing solved. Yet it's not showing in my rank. What's my rank? How many did I do? 1600. How many did I do? Size playing same error I'm getting. आज problems मेहरबान तो lead code गद्दारी कर तो exactly. Now bro, show me my rating. Please, will you? Unknown network error. What do we do now? What do we do? I'm pretty sure it's submitted. Should I start lead code from first year, bro? One thing before even starting anything, that one thing that you should stop is spamming. Bro, I'll watch your chats, but don't spam. Yes, you should. Yes, you should. I mean, you can give it a try. Code seeker, okay, I'm checking. हो गया अपडेट. मेरा सबमिट दिखा रहा है, टाइम भी पुराना है. ओह ओके ओके ओके, then it's cool. If I submit it multiple times, I hope it takes my previous time submission, bro. I hope it takes my previous time submission. Let's check this guy. Code seeker. Rate limited, bro. I didn't even. Show me my rank. 1600. At what time did I solve the third question? That's what I want to know. What time did I solve the third question? Ranking detail. It's almost like a government website at this point. Bro, this is the quickest contest I've ever done. What do we do now? मेरा अभी तक नहीं हुआ update. I can barely. 22 minutes. Yes, it's showing the old version. I'm happy. I'm happy. At its worst, it's going to go till 3.5k because I didn't do any penalties. See, now everybody who's gonna get better ranking than me is all those people who do the fourth question. It's not like I did a penalty. So some people who might do it after me, the third question, but they didn't get a penalty, they might rank above me. No, it's not like that. Only people who are gonna make my rank fall are people like Sarthak, who currently did the fourth question. I use Jangid. Bro, your profile is not loading. What is it? Apna college has a batch for DSA. Should I go for it? I'm not. I mean, I don't know, bro. I never like studied from them. I heard the guy from IIT got into HFT. Bro, that's another case. He was from tier 1 college and he is like a candidate master on code forces. That's another all different case together. Check main. Okay, I'll check yours. I'll check yours. Okay, I'm done with my fruits. Let's see. Yo, look at this guy. I use Jangir, bro. I'm following you, bro. Wait. It doesn't let me follow you. Okay, I'm following you. 1893. This guy is a maniac. What's my rank? 1640. See, it's not. What do we do now? Problem भी load नहीं हो रही अब तो क्या करूं? What problem? Do you want to see the fourth question? Atish, let's say. Yeah, I don't think so. We can open lead code anymore. I don't think so. Nope. 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 Did question 3, fourth one looks out of range. Yeah, fourth one is a segment tree. Let's play chess. Bro, I don't know how to play chess. I don't know how to play chess. This is the fourth question for people who cannot see it. See it from my stream and then probably try to do it if you can. I can't. This is a segmentary question. In fact, I'm thinking, why not utilize this time and learn segmentaries? Why not utilize this time and learn segmentaries? Should we? 3 by 4? Yes, sir. 3 by 4 gang. 3 by 4 gang. 3 by 4 gang. Just keep moving till you checkmate. Bro, what is that description? I आपके हुए में medium से hard. Depends on which company. Like Infosys had the hardest question. Hack with Infi had like 2000 rated questions. On 2000 rated questions on code forces, those type of questions. Do you think today's contest is much easier? Bro, today's contest is the easiest contest out of all the 25 contests that I've given. How many contests have I given in total? How many contests have I given in total? I have. Oh, it's not loading. I have given 27, right? This is my 20th contest. So today's contest is officially the easiest out of all the 27 contests that I've ever given. Bro, I can bet on that. I can bet on that. Can greedy work on third question? What was the third question? What's the third question? Oh, this hash one? Greedy. Nah, 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 nah. I don't know, bro. No, greedy wouldn't work. This is not a greedy question. 2.3k people have done it already. That's crazy. I get one penalty in 3-1. Why, bro? Why? Why do they even give those questions for a merit LP? No, they came. See, yeah. I mean, Infosys is a different breed altogether. They ask the toughest question. They want engineering talent of HFTs while paying peanuts. But yeah, they came for a role of 21 LP. Bro, you look like Invisible Mechanics. Who's that? Who is that? Invisible Mechanics. What's that? I look like this. I feel like I have a very okay. He's a J tutor. Okay. Yeah, I feel like I have a very generic nerdy face. That's why I match with a lot of people. I mean, I don't see the resemblance, but I guess you guys might. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Give suggestion, bro. Suggestion for what? Okay. 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 Your profile. Who is this? G Nara. Okay. Let me not try to pronounce it. Let's do a profile review. No. Let's learn segment trees, bro. Let's utilize our time for the best. Because the fourth question is segment tree. In fact, what I did not tell you guys, भाई लिंक्डइन पे एक बंदा बोल रहा है कि इंटरव्यू में उसको सिर्फ 1800 रेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछा था इंटरव्यू कोड फोर्सेस पे कैंडिडेट I know that guy you're talking about this guy na you're talking about this guy he's always on my feed that guy who's an expert on code forces but who was like struggling to land interviews in fang companies. I don't remember his name, bro. How do I find him now? Nah, bro. Okay. Nah, he's nowhere here. What's this? Ostra. Okay, okay. Bro, what is Aman Kothari? Why is he? Wait, Aman Kothari. Why is he posting in Japanese? Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, he's looking for. Okay, bro. No, I can't find him. I can't find him. Chamud gayi. Shaitan, bro. Why? Nikhil. Oh, you right. Nikhil. Nikhil. Yep, Nikhil. You're right. His name is Nikhil. 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 Bro, why is my laptop so slow today? Nikhil. Bro, with no, he's kind of. What's his full? Yeah, Nikhil Sihare. Nikhil Sihare, bro. I watch his posts. He's from Triple ID. Up. Night at lead code, 4-star code chef, 1645. And yep. You're talking about this post, right? Yeah. This is a crazy state of affairs. Asking 1800, they must be paying a pretty like hefty amount. Imagine if they are paying 8 LP and asking this. 5 penalties, 30 minute में किया 3. What? Shaitan, bro, are you serious? What? That's crazy. You're done with the contest? Damn. I'm done with the first 3 questions, so I'm not, and I can't do the fourth question. Could we choose subarray from colors that have equal colors? Greedily pick max, adjacent, cache, sum, and return. Rex, bro. See, I don't want to discuss because the contest is live, but I'm not sure if that's the correct approach. I don't think so. It's a pretty standard question. What's my rank? Let's see my rank. Please don't be below 2000. Please don't be above 2000. It's gonna take 1000 years before it. Let's play the drawing and guessing game. Many people seems to have solved the third one. Okay. Bhai, our questions were so easy. I don't know why it took me so long. Bro, what? Why did it take you so long? Why did it take you? Is fourth question doable? No, it's segmentary. Bro, we can play that drawing game. 1682. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. You know, there's a slight chance that I might get my first sub 2K rank today. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. भाई लॉल हो गया सेकंड क्वेश्चन में पेनल्टी लगी इसलिए मेरी रैंक why did you guys get penalty, bro? The questions were so straightforward. Committing, what are you saying, Kumar stories, bro? Second question में I used tries इसलिए देर लग गई. Tries, what do you even mean? Tries, I never even like studied that. Data structure, bro. Ganraj S. Okay. He likes to code. Okay. Monstack developer. Okay, I'm following you, bro. Do you follow me? Okay. See, it's not loading. I am clicking on follow button. Pretty nascent profile. Nothing much to see here. One good thing I can tell you is that you have started giving contests in just 100 questions. So salute for that, bro. That's a smart like decision to make. GG's for that. Besides that, yeah, 82 easy. Now you've done enough easy. Now stop doing easies. Get on track with mediums and grind those mediums. Not commuting, sorry, it's competing. Technically, it's still wrongly spelled, but yeah, I will be attempting tomorrow's contest. Bro's gonna be a knight. Nah, 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 I'm not really. I don't think so. I'm gonna be a knight. For knight, it has to be 1850 something. I'm not knight. Try मैंने भी सोचा था, but constant कम थे, so brute force. Okay, bro. Why do people like? I think knowing too much is also a curse. It was a straightforward brute. I tried to solve the second one with O n square as constraints were 500. Then I realized until then damage was done. Bro, how did Shaitan mess up today? How did you even mess up? What did you do in this? This is no way, bro. What are the constraints? It's 5,000. It's not 500. Sorry for my misspelling, bro. All cool. This is not an English test. All cool. No worries, bro. Do you have Codolio account? No, I don't. I don't even know what's that website. I don't even know how to start DSA. Go to a browser. Click on leetcode.com. Make an account and start doing, bro. That's a very vague question. This site doesn't support a secure connection. That's a very big question. There are thousands of roadmaps you can find already. TLE, bro, I did it in ON square. Oh, why did you do it in ON square? Shaitan, bro, that's sad. Doesn't mean. Yeah, okay, now I see you did it in N square. Bro, that's sad. That's sad. What's your current rating? What's your current rating? What's your current rating? Hmm. Shaunak, let's follow you. Jalapur University. Bro, am I connecting with you on LinkedIn? 1998. And you know what? This greedy guy doesn't even attempt contests from his main ID, bro. Shaunak Samantha. It's loading. Okay, we are connected. He secured 9.62 CGPA. This guy is a goddamn nerd. 9.6 CGPA. Holy. Okay. Okay, bro. Okay. Yeah. Crazy profile. Crazy profile. You're already 2000 rated. You can take these small hits. Okay, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, bro. See you tomorrow. Search code. You can maintain dev plus DSA profile. Oh, can we? Okay. Didn't accept. I just read prefix connected groups and immediately went to my tries template mindlessly. Didn't even see the constraints. Bro, you don't have to go so like complicated in the second contest. That's the thing. मेरी कब check करोगे आदेश फड़तारे? Oh, did I not? Did I not, bro? Wait, why is it not showing? Adesh. Bro. Adesh. Why is it not showing? What's your profile? Adesh. It was saved in there. Adesh Fardare. How do we pronounce your surname? Adesh Fardare. I'm sorry if that's wrong. क्यों नहीं हो रहा DSA? Okay. Interesting profile. Let's follow him. 1698. Decent rating. I see you have attained a peak of 1707, bro. I hope you go back to 1700s. Good consistency. Yeah, we're connected on LinkedIn. I do know him on LinkedIn. 245, good ratio of medium and easy. Nice. Stop doing any more easies. You're already good with done with easies. Bro, good profile overall. You just have to maintain this. What you're doing, good profile overall. 4.5 रैंक है, 4.5 गिरेगी रेटिंग. द ओनली ब्रो अभी भी जितनी रैंक है ना, अभी डिपेंड करता है. अगर 5 के प्लस चली गई ना, आई थिंक स्लाइट चांस ऑफ -1 -2. 1749. प्लीज गॉड, प्लीज गिव मी अ सब 2000 रैंक, प्लीज. I'll be so happy if I get that. You mean you are knight today? No, I'm not. Stop saying Babu though. Get a gal. What do you mean? Babu? Who's saying Babu? Oh, you're talking to Okayish. Okay, okay, okay. Night on Valentine. Bro, I didn't even realize today is that day. You know what? Let's make a thumbnail live on stream. Let's make a thumbnail live on stream. Let me unblur my screen, bro. Since everybody has done the third question, let me unblur my screen and let's make a thumbnail specific to that. I didn't even realize it's Valentine's Day today. Bro, wow. But yeah, it's gonna be super slow. I need to close some tabs. No, I can't show my WhatsApp. I was about to show my WhatsApp. Hmm. Okay. Okay, let's create a thumbnail live on stream. Third one, yes, yes, sir. Fourth is 7 pointer, don't worry. Yeah, I'm not even trying to attempt the fourth. Please, I got my Valentine's Day gift. Less than 2000 rank. What's your current rank? 4.4k rank. 3 questions. GG's, bro. Good luck. That's a good rank. That's a good rank. Mm, okay, let's make thumbnail live. Weekly contest. Let's write this. LeetCode bi-weekly contest on, and let's add this emoji. Bro, is this good or bad? Is this good or bad? Good or bad? What the hell? That's a nice gift. For people like me, it is. Current rank is approx. Bro, Adesh and I have the same rank. We have the same rank. I'm 1750. Adesh is 17. Is this good or should I make some changes? How do you find open source project to contribute? Bro, this website is so good. This website is so useful. Yeah, choose your language preference. Choose how many stars you want it to be. This is how I found my one and only project to contribute to, but I never made it. Average graphic designer from MIT. Chill, bro. Chill. What do you mean? I don't do Photoshop and all that. So that's how I do it. And I'm with my partner. 7200, bro. You're gonna get such a big hit on your rating. Right title as attempting TC contest because I don't have a GF. Oh, we can write that title. We can write that title. Bro, how do I make this better? Hmm. How do I make this better, bro? Give me some search Portugal stats. Portugal stats. What? What do you want me? ESPN? Bro, I don't watch football. I don't watch football. थर्ड वाला tabulation से किया तूने? ना. Bro, when you know that it's just 2D, go with recursion. Recursion. What the fuck? I wrote TC not LC. Okay. Ronaldo's cooking, bro. Is Ronaldo? Is there a match today? Okay. Lead code bi-weekly contest on Valentine's Day. Yeah, let's. Yeah, in fact, this is better than what I have right now. On, we can probably like to give it that outline. Let's make the outline white. That's ugly as hell. No, no. Let's make this a bit bigger on Valentine's Day. Yeah, I think this works, bro. This works. Download this. Okay. Nah, bro. I hope I didn't show anything wrong. I hope I didn't show anything wrong. I can't even do anything. Okay, let's change it. Wasn't it 1D? 1D? No, bro, it was not 1D. What do you mean? How? Okay, okay. And I can't show you, bro. I was almost about to show. Better say on Black Day instead. Oh, today is also Black Day. You're right, bro. You're right. Should I say Black Day? I don't know, bro. Let's change this. Change this. Where is the one that I just made? Where is that, bro? This is such an unoptimized way. And let's give attempting, attempting doing lead code on Valentine's Day. What do I keep the title? What do I keep the title? Bro, somebody give me some idea. Bro, 2 questions done. Good luck, bro. Nice, nice. GG's. What do I keep the title? What do I keep the title? Bro, attempting doing lead code on okay, bro. I don't know, bro. Nobody gave me any suggestion. Lol, that's a trick to see search history. When you write for Chugal, your last search history in search bar was insane. What was my last search history? Wait, what was my last? Bro, it was nothing. It was nothing. Stop scaring me. Stop scaring me. Bro, look at my hair, bro. I just had a bath and it's all oily. That's why I'm wearing a cap today. That's why I'm wearing a cap today. How many questions did you solve today? 3. We solved 3. And, bro, I did not even tell you guys. Today we'll be joined. He's not in the Valentine with bi-weekly. Okay. Okay. Right, because I don't have a GF. Okay, okay. It was some Reddit post of Blake Blossom. Lol. Okay, bro, I didn't get caught on anything. I'm smart enough to do that on incognito, on not normal Brave tab. Please check my ID. Let's do code force or something. Okay, okay, I'll check your ID. Bro, what I did not even tell you guys is today we will be joined with a guy from my chat. If you guys know him, he's Dread. In fact, you know what? Let me see if he's ready. We might as well do a Google Meet right now. He is 2100 rated. 2100 rated. Oh, bro. 2100 rated on lead code. He's from IIT. He wanted to join my stream, and I thought, why not? I thought maybe he could teach me a things or two, but today's contest seems to be too easy. So we might learn segment trees from him. We might learn segment trees from him. Let's see, bro. That's my chess rating. Minoxidil OP, bro. Chill out, bro. Wait. The first thing I should be doing is hide my Reddit history, bro. I'm dumb. I never hid it. How do you hide your Reddit history? How to allow people to follow you? Bro, how do you profile, display name, hide all? Bro, how do you hide your Reddit history? Hide Reddit history. Content. Content. Bro, how do you do that? Yeah, invite him. Someone said he was gone through Reddit. Who the hell is he, bro? Stop spreading rumors. I do not. I do not. Avatar settings clear, local history. No, no, no. User settings, privacy. Bro, how do you hide your... I need to hide it before... If you guys see my Reddit history, bro, I'll be exposed. What? Curate your profile. How do you hide it? Okay, let me just simply ask him, bro, are you ready? Can you join now? Okay, let me ask him. Okay, okay, never mind, bro. Never mind. Spread cancer, guys, not rumor. Nah, bro. Chill. Three question in 45 minutes. GG's. GG's. What's your rank? Mine is 1525. Damn. 1.5k. What is my rank? Mine is. It was 1749 the last time. Let's see it right now. Let's see it right now. It's 1874. I really want it to be less than. Less than. Let's cross my Reddit tab. James Peralta win next time. Bro, the thing is, I don't think so. He give bi-weekly contests because it's very early for him. It's very early for him. I don't know. I'll send him a message for tomorrow. If he comes, then all good in that. But I guess he's a busy man, bro. I'll message him. I didn't message him after the last stream because I was so busy with my intern. I didn't even attempt any contest. Bro, I fucked up my thesis Prime 9 LPA job interview. Why? What happened, bro? What happened, bro? Why is that guy not replying? Did he ghost me? Did he ghost me? Follow ID AV02. AV02. Okay, let's see some IDs up until he replies, bro. Bro, cross this. Let's see some IDs up until Avi02. Avi02. Avdesh Pratap Singh Rajput. Okay. Okay. 1857. Crazy rating. He's knight. 5.66. Damn, bro. Damn. 268. Bro, as a ritual, should we check your contest history? As a ritual, bro. Nothing against you. We have to do it as a formality. I'm pretty sure you're legit, but let's just go over it anyways. Let's just go over it anyways. It's been so long since I last used. What's this? Chat, what's this? What's this? What kind of ritual is this? No, but there's a large paste. I hope that's from another uh, code editor. Okay, I'm not signifying anything. Let's hope it was just another. What's this, bro? Avdesh, bro. Should we check his replays? Should we check his replays? Okay, okay, let's hope that was just two contests. Bro, every contest there's a large paste. Bro, I guess we gotta see your replay. How is it large paste in just one question? I mean, I'm not saying anything. It's 4493. 4493. Pritam Singh, no. And probably this question, what's the question? Count sub-arrays with cost less than. I didn't attempt this question or what? I think I didn't attempt this contest. Scan last five. Yes, I did. See, there's a merge adjacent. Okay. I think then it's this question. It's then it's this question, right? Count sub-arrays with cost less than. Yep. It's the third question. It's the third question. Let's hope it's not, bro. See, there's a large paste. At what time? Okay, what happens is you're coding up until another day, another cheater caught. Another day, another cheater caught. Another day, another prey. Did we see it? Bro, another day, another prey. It's the story of every goddamn time. Who was the guy, bro? Who was the guy that gave this profile? Where is he? Avdesh Rajput, bro. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing, bro? This is not how we lead code. This is not how we lead code. Nah, bro, this looks too weird. I gotta wear it back. People gonna make weird comments. I should have gotten. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm feeling too hot in this, but never mind. You starting something? Nah, nah, nah. Some people done this today also for sure. Exactly. Exactly. Bro, we got caught him live. See, that's where I was about to follow him, but if you're doing GPT, bro, we do not follow him. I was about to follow you, Avdesh, bro. Guess what? I guess you're new to the stream and you don't know we have Code Lead. Code Lead, shout out to Code Lead. Download it from the descriptions. Holy shit, bro, got some muscles. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cotton 4K. Yup. Yup. Stupid comments like those comments are just GPT comments, bro. Those are GPT comments. GPT comments. Bro, that guy is not replying. After opening the shirt, he was like, I know. He was like, I will kill you. How can you cheat? Nah, 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 nah. Bro, why is the guy who I decided to join the live, he's not replying? Did he ghost me or what? Should we wait for him? He comes on my stream, but he's not even on my stream today. He's not even on my stream today. What do we do then? Bro, you are copy pasting the solution? When did I copy paste the solution, bro? When did I copy paste the solution? Profile review, Galbotrix. And the thing is, Avdesh is not typing anything in the chat now. Avdesh, bro, be a man and own it. That okay, you did some mistakes in the past, you won't do it again. Nothing wrong with that, bro. It's not a sin. God. 1462. Respect for not using LLMs to boost your rating. That's like honest and modest ratings. So respect for that. 181 questions, not bad. Good thing is he's not spamming easy questions. Good, bro. Good, nice. You get my follow. You get my follow. You're being consistent. Nice, bro. Nice. GG's. Good profile. Good profile. He's exposed, so he don't expect to come back. I mean, yeah. Could he release his anger of Reddit on a page? Yeah, that guy is not replying. Any tips for segmentary? Bro, I want to learn segmentary today. And that's what I wanted. That guy who is 2100 rated, he could have taught me segmentaries, but he's not replying. That's crazy. In fact, he should be in the stream. He's not even in the stream. Profile review first contest. Okay, let's go. Another profile to review. See, that's why we do the code lead ritual. In love? Yo, Anj Dubey, bro. You're in love? Okay, never mind. 516. Okay, you didn't even do your contest. This is your first contest. Okay, never mind. The biggest red flag. The biggest red flag. Look at this number. Look at this. 325 easies. What the hell were you even trying to achieve by doing 325 easies, bro? This is the most useless thing. Bro, I mean, good for you. I respect your consistency, but this is more like doing easies does not involve your brain, bro. You and I both know it. 100 easies is more than enough. How many have I done? You don't have to do so many easies. What that does is that just boosts your question count, but not your knowledge. 168 medium, that's a very bad ratio, bro. I've done 138 okay, but I've done 288 mediums. 288 mediums. Sharan SC, okay. Okay, bro. Okay. Sharan SC. 1763. Bro is almost at the same rating as me. 834 questions. That's insane. Look at his goddamn streak. 263. Damn, and he got a portfolio. Hi, I'm Sharan. Hi, bro. I'm Weber. 800 lead code problem solved. Man, remove this. Like a suggestion from brother. Stop using rocket emojis from GPT, bro. About me, okay, tell us about yourself. React Spring Boot APIs. Computer science engineering student. Contest rating of 1732. What's your rating? It's 1763. You can update that. Bro, that guy is not replying, bro. He scammed me. He scammed me. Never mind. Research paper. Damn. Technical skills. Lead code journey. Bro. Good profile, bro. Oh, he did reply. He did reply. He did reply. He did reply. Okay. So there. Okay. Give the link. Are you in chat? I have finished the contest. Oh, he was okay. He was finished. He was doing the fourth question, I guess. He was doing the fourth question, I guess. Okay. Give the link. I finished the contest. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, let's make a link. How many have done today? 3. Let's check my rating. Let's check my rating. Bro, I'm sorry. Profile reviews now will happen near the end of the stream. We have a guest on stream. A 2100 rated. 2000 rating. Man, I was expecting a sub 2k rank today. Okay, bro. Never mind. Never mind. Say the 0004. Okay, last profile that I'm reviewing. Last profile. Okay, screen. Oh, sorry. Last profile that I'm reviewing is Abhi, just for right now. After that, after the meet with the guest, we will review more profiles. I use CodeShare for contests. It's Siddhant. Okay, bro, Siddhant, bro, hi. Nice to meet you. 642 questions. When was the last contest you gave? March? But why are you not giving contests anymore? Why are you not giving contests anymore? 642, that's a crazy number. 322, okay, decent ratio of easy to medium. Great consistency. GG's, bro. In fact, you're 10 times more consistent than me. GG's, bro. Nice profile. Nice profile. Now let's go. Bro, I'm sorry. That were my first variation, Siddhant, bro. After that, I haven't given. Bro, you should give contests. You should give contests. Okay, let's make a Google Meet. Let's make a Google Meet and give that guy the link. Okay, give that guy the link. So that, wait, Gmeet. Let's add in my earphones. Okay, let's add in my earphones. Sahil Mishra, bro, I'm sorry. This will happen now near the end of the stream. We have a guest joining us. Let's go with a new meeting. Start an instant meeting. This is the first time I'm gonna talk to him, by the way. I haven't even myself talked to him ever. Your meeting's ready. Okay, I have. Let's see if my camera and all that is working. Yes, that is. Okay, nice, bro. Yep, nice. Hello. Yes, it's working. Yes, it's working. Hi, bro. I built an AI course generator app which lets you. Can you review it? Ayush, bro. We will review it just after this. How much do you solve? I solved 3. Okay, let's give that guy the link. You guys can't see my screen, right? Okay, you can't. Let's give that guy the link. Okay, let's give him the link. Okay, I gave him the link. Let's hope he joins. I solved 3 under 50 minutes till 8k. Bro, today's contest honestly is on the easier side. So 3 under 15 minutes. Okay. Not, I mean, 8k is not surprising because doing 3 questions is good, but 50 minutes is too much. Okay, let's see if he joins. Bro, if I show my screen, I hope. Okay, never mind. Wait, how is my join, bro? Let me know when you join. Let me message him. Just for introduction, this guy is 2100 rated. He's from IIT Guwahati. So he's a crazy DS enthusiast. We can learn a lot of things from him. A DSA monkey. Name of that guy, he preferred not revealing his name, but his lead code profile, if I show you him. This is his lead code profile. Augmented Tech. This is his lead code profile. He comes on my chat. He messaged me that he wants to join my stream. So I thought, why not? I'm following him. 2100 is insane. We will learn segment trees from him today. Wait, did he join? Admit one guest. Okay, he's here. You guys can see me. Wait, what if I close? Okay, never mind, bro. I don't know. Admit. Hello. What's up, Augmented Tech, bro? What's up?
Bro, what's up, bro?
How have you been? I was showing your profile, and it's insane. Two,
I mean,
28 contests and you're 2.1k rated. That's crazy, bro.
I don't know about today's contest though. Like, I
Wait.
might lose. I may lose some points.
Okay. Just hold on a second. I'm just
Yeah,
checking
sure.
if people are able to hear me and listen to me. Today he will get in for. Okay. Can you guys listen me? Mm, too slow sound. Too slow. Is my sound too slow? Hold on a second. Too slow sound. Okay, his voice is low, bro. If you can, is there any way you can probably increase your voice? Yo, augmented, bro.
Yeah, bro. Tell.
If you can increase your voice by any means.
Can you hear me now? Like,
I mean, I can hear you, but I guess they are saying your voice is too low.
okay, so like it's max in my laptop, so I don't know.
Wait.
Let me
Let me
see.
let me see if there's something I can do. Gain, right? We add a gain, and let's add a gain of 10 decibels. Okay, close it. Speak something now.
Hello.
Is this better now? Is it better now? Valentine video. Shut up, bro. Shut up. No, all good. Clear. Voice is clear. Nice. Okay. So,
Nice, nice.
yeah. Will you be turning on your video?
I will be, but not right now. There are some disturbance going on in my hostel room, so
Bro, never mind. We all know how a hostel room looks like. Okay. Okay, no worries. No worries then.
don't worry. I'll turn on in a few minutes. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay, nice. Yeah, so introduce yourself, bro. Tell the people in chat about you. Where are you from? I mean, you don't want to reveal your name or anything, but yeah, tell about yourself.
Yeah, so yeah, my name is Augmented Tech, like not really literally, but I go that like that's my lead code profile, right?
Okay.
So I'm originally from like Kolkata, like West Bengal.
You're Bengali.
Uh,
Okay,
yeah,
I have a really good friend from Bengal or Bengal. Okay, West Bengal.
Bengal,
Never
Bengal.
mind. Never mind.
Yeah,
Yeah,
West.
yeah.
Yeah, like yeah, that's it. Uh, and I'm from IIT Guwahati, and yeah, that's
IIT
it. I don't know.
Guwahati. What was your JEE advanced rank?
I mean, it was bad. It was like 5K
Stop.
ish.
Okay. Stop being humble. You telling me a 5K rank is bad?
I mean, I expected better. So compared to like
Okay.
mm,
Okay. Never mind. And okay, will you tell your branch? Are you okay in telling that?
I'd rather not. Like,
Okay. No worries. So you're in third year, right?
yeah.
And this is your lead code profile. 2.1k. How many did you solve today?
I solved all four.
You solved all four. Okay, not surprised, bro. Not so.
I mean, look. I
What?
mean, the first three were pretty easy, right? So like,
Yeah. Like if I can
yeah,
solve the first three questions in 23 minutes, you probably could have solved them in like 5 minutes. Did you
no,
start from the first question?
actually solved the first three in like I think 27 or 28 minutes because the rate limiting thing was happening.
Oh, okay. So for the first three questions, I was ranked higher than you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
I mean,
of
I don't
course,
mind.
of course,
Like
of
after a
course.
certain point, I don't really give a shit about rating anymore. My aim is to
Yeah.
just complete four questions.
Every rich guy says they don't care about money. Every attractive human says they don't care about looks. And every lead code guardian says they don't care about rating. Okay, no worries. No worries. But see, today I was thinking that we could discuss today's contest. He uses code
Yeah,
forces.
sure.
Do you do code forces? Of course you
I
do.
do, but not as religiously as lead code.
Are you okay showing your code forces profile?
I can, but it's very bad. I haven't solved many problems. I don't mind. Like,
Okay,
don't
yeah.
worry.
Just tell your code forces username then. Hello bro, कैसा हुआ?
Okay.
Bro, okay, yeah. Keep going on. I'm just talking to the chat.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll
Hmm.
show the my code forces profile after we review today's contest.
Okay, we can do that. So
Okay.
let's straight up start with the fourth question. I guess the first three questions were super easy for everyone.
Fourth question is actually like it's a concept about Euler tool plus Fenwick tree or segment tree.
Wait, what
So
what did you just say? Euler 2 Feminic 3?
No, see here's there's a thing called Euler tool. Okay, so in
Euler,
Euler tool, like
Euler is Euler, right?
yeah.
Oh, okay, that
That's correct.
mathematician. Yep.
Right. Yeah. So what happens in Euler tool is basically that, let's say we have trees, right?
Yep. Okay.
So we all know what a subarray range is, right? Like subarray from L to R, right?
Okay. I did see the problem is I didn't even read the fourth question. Should I?
Just try reading once, like.
Okay. Okay. Were you in my stream? Okay, I guess you were not. Because we just got a cheater live. No worries. You're given two integer array, nums1 and nums2. You must choose exactly k pair of indices such that, okay, they are in order. For each chosen pair ij, you gain a score of nums I star nums. Okay. The total score is the sum of products. Return an integer represent. What even is this question, bro?
Bro, this is which question, bro? This is not today's question.
This is not
Is
today's
it?
question? Oh, sorry.
Bro, you're scaring me, bro.
No, this is past contest. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, this is the last contest
I'm
question.
sorry. I'm dumb, bro. Wait. The contest is live right now, okay? What's your rank? What's your today's rank?
Not sure. I have to check. I'll really check it entered down.
Okay. You're given an undirected tree with n nodes labeled from 0. This is represent. Maybe you can explain it better, bro. If I try understanding it, then you know I'm dumb. You watch my streams.
I mean, okay, so I won't tell the exact like nitty-gritty of the thing, but I'll just go over it because
Okay.
it is quite complicated.
Okay.
The idea is there's something called Euler tool. Like for example, do you know anything about point updates and range updates?
Range updates.
Okay, so I'm saying, so for example, let's say there is a subarray from L to R. Okay.
Right. Can you
Now
like,
if I
do you think if you share your screen and explain on Xcali, if that would help, or you think it's okay if you can
X
just,
carry, okay. I think I can explain Notion if that's fine.
yeah, on anything, whatever you want.
Okay, just wait a few minutes. I have to
Okay.
set it up.
Ask him from where did he learn concepts like Euler thing, bro. Where did you? Okay, we have a lot of questions for you. Where did you learn all this mockery from, like Euler, Fenwick tree? What you're talking about? Where did you learn all
Wait.
this?
So I'm telling. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay, like in segment tree. He
Can you
gives.
see my Notion? Like I don't know.
I can.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so this is something. There's something called Euler tool. Okay, sorry.
Hmm.
So the naive idea is to convert a tree to an array. Okay.
Tree to an array. Why do you even
Yeah.
want to do that?
Yeah. Exactly. I'm telling. Okay.
Okay.
So let's first think about what are point updates
Point updates.
and range updates. Okay.
Okay.
So we all know what a subarray is, right?
Right.
So if I want to like think of a particular subarray, I think of its bounds, right? The leftmost bound, the rightmost bound, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So L comma R are bounds of subarray,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So question is that I'm giving a question. Let's say I want you to update every value from L to R. By update, I mean like add every index from L to R of value of I don't know 5. Okay.
I think I have a clue about this. Tell me if I'm thinking right. You add something to R plus one, something like that. Yeah.
So So that is the thing called difference array.
Okay.
You're right.
Hmm.
You're absolutely right. But this is more general. Okay.
Okay.
So this is just a small example. This can be done with different array. You're right.
Okay.
But for this can be generalized. This idea. Okay.
Okay.
So a knife way. Oh, sorry. A knife way to do this would be to just take a loop from L to R and just E of I is equal to E of I plus 5, right? Simple.
Right.
Right. Now if you do this, O of n loop.
Okay.
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 So that is like, yeah. But since there are queries given, right? So overall time complexity would be like O of queries into n, right?
Yep.
So and normally since the problem setters want to make our life tough as hell, they give queries as less than equal to 1e5 and n is also less than equal to 1e5. So q into n is 1e10, which will not work, obviously, right?
Right.
So TLE. So wait, yeah. So the idea is to do the same thing in log of n time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And this can be done using a segment tree. Okay.
Right.
Right. For reference, segment tree, family tree, like I'm not saying they're same, but the thing is, segment tree has if you're using segment tree, you have to write a lot of code. Okay. So what
Yeah.
most people do is basically they have templates of segment tree and family tree. Okay.
Okay.
They don't exactly
Sorry.
they don't
Sorry.
exactly
Wait.
okay
Sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt. Can I say
they don't
something?
exactly memorize the exact code of updating and those kind of stuff. Okay. So what I did was I put my code in GitHub and I just look at the code every time I need to like write that code. Okay, and everybody does it thing. Okay, in this problem I use a Fenwick tree because I saw that uh, uh, by using a Fenwick tree I could write a lot less code. So
Okay.
and I'm lazy as hell, so I just use a Fenwick tree.
So why do people
So
even use segment tree then?
what?
If Fenwick tree is less code and does the same thing, then
Okay,
why do people
the
use
thing about
segment tree?
Fenwick tree is that like Fenwick tree is not generalizable to a lot of questions. Like
Se-
segment tree, like if you master segment tree, like for
okay.
example, if there's a problem, say, okay,
Okay.
that problem can be solved by Fenwick tree, okay,
Right.
then that problem surely can be solved by segment tree, okay, but
Okay.
not vice versa.
Oh, segment tree is more powerful.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. But
Okay.
for questions like, let's say, range sum, range update and stuff like that, Fenwick tree and segment tree work almost the same. Okay, so you can use a Fenwick tree, you wouldn't notice the difference.
Okay.
Now the question is like, why would we use a segment tree? Like, in which type of problems do we need segment tree, right? Like for
Right.
example, there is an array, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What are the arrays? Okay,
Okay.
I'm giving you Q queries. Okay, and I'm telling you, okay, let's say the queries are let's say Q1 and Q2. Okay, Q1 means point update. Okay, so let's say
Okay.
I'll give you an index I say, okay, this I index, okay, and you have to update array of I to some val. This is called point update, right?
Right.
Point means makes sense. And
Okay.
Q2 is basically a range update. Like I'll give you a bound L to R, and you will do this thing. What is the thing? Let's say this one. By a value of val. Okay.
Okay.
So and then I will ask what is the range sum from say a particular L to R. Okay.
Okay.
Now the thing is like if you try knife prefix sum and stuff like that, you as you can realize you have to update the prefix sum many times and stuff like that, right?
Yep.
That will definitely kill you. So that's why we use uh, a segment tree.
Okay.
Okay, so the segment tree basic like from black box point of view, it's basically what the Q1 it will perform Q1 and Q2 in log n time. Okay.
Okay. Q1
Yeah,
queries.
no. The
Okay.
thing is like if I tell the segment tree to do point update of arrow file, it will do it in log n time. Okay.
Okay. So that's a disadvantage.
Of what?
See, point update should be a O of 1, right? If you are given an array, you just want to update a value.
Wait, see, here's the thing. Point update, sure. Like, but just bear with me. Okay. Segment tree with also to range update in log of n. That's the main advantage. Okay.
Right.
Okay. I mean, yeah, sure. Point update, yeah. You get
So
the
there's
idea.
there's a
So since
trade-off.
it,
There's a trade-off.
yeah,
You
sure.
you can do very quick range updates, but for point updates, you are taking more time, right?
Yeah, you can say that a bit more time, sure.
Okay.
So, but the main advantage is the range update thing. Okay.
Wait, bro. Why 9 a.m. games, bro. You need to chill out. He's distracting me like crazy. I'm sorry, bro. Please repeat the last line you said.
Okay, so like I said, in range update, naively you would take O of n time, right?
Right.
But segment tree's main power is in this thing. It will do range update in
Range
log of
updates.
n time.
Log of n time. Okay. Okay.
So, so as you can guess, the total complexity will be q log n, right?
Yep.
And then this will pass. You get the idea, right? This is not TL anymore.
Yeah.
So basically, that's the thing. Okay.
Hmm.
Now this is a very basic version of segment tree. Okay, wait, let me tell you. Segment tree, very basic version. Like a segment tree, as the name suggests, it's a tree, right? In that tree, you can store lots of things. Okay, right? Like you can maybe store the frequency of L2R, maybe the best value of L2R. You get the idea. Okay, it's like a node. Okay, you can store whatever you want. Okay,
Okay.
and then you have to basically merge. The actual logic for segment tree is a bit complicated, and I wouldn't want to go over segment tree now because it's actually very complicated. Even I don't remember much of how it works, but I just know that it works.
Okay. So you just use a template every time?
Yeah, the thing is, I learned segment tree once very rigorously. Okay,
Okay.
and the thing is like, okay, I roll the template once, store it in GitHub, then I copy paste the template every time, and just make changes depending upon the problem.
Okay, bro. That's smart.
I mean, that's how most people do. So because if you write segment tree template every time, you would kind of die, man. It's a lot of code. It's
Okay.
actually a lot of code, man.
Yeah, no, see, I have been trying to learn segment trees. I have attempted learning segment trees like 500 times now, but I still can't. Because when I come to coding, it's a lot of different
Hmm.
things. So I think that's a
Okay.
smarter way. Learn once, store the template, and then forget about it.
I mean, I would advise you to do that for segmentary related concepts, but there's also something called, let's say, binary lifting. Okay,
Binary lifting.
like for like for example, in the fourth question, like for example, in the fourth question, you also have to use something called binary lifting. Okay,
Okay, just hold on a second. So today's fourth question, what do you rate it? Is it extremely tough? Is it medium for you? Or is it like easier side, a very basic implementation? Bro, what are these vocabulary, binary lifting and all that?
look, implementation surely wasn't basic. Let me be very honest.
Okay.
It wasn't like, the thing is like, it was very straightforward in terms of concept. Like for example, okay, if you read the problem, it just says that, okay, you have to update, you have to then just check, right?
Okay.
Like the language is pretty easy, right? Like
Wait,
for most people who do competitive programming, for them it is like, okay, I understand I do segment tree plus Euler tool. Now the thing
right.
is, how will I implement this thing?
Okay.
That's the basic thing.
Okay.
So concept wise, I won't say it's I won't say it's very tough, but implementation wise, sure, it's very tough.
Did you get it in your first attempt?
Not really. I got one wrong answer.
Oh, okay. Okay, never mind. Yeah, continue.
Yeah. So look, like you were saying, your idea of forgetting templates is fine for segment tree, I would say. But
Hmm.
let's say for there's also something called binary lifting. Okay,
Okay.
that's another thing. So, I wouldn't recommend you to forget template for binary lifting. Okay, like binary lifting is pretty easy. Okay,
That's easy.
I mean, look, I'll tell you what kind of things can be done with binary lifting. Okay, like think of a tree. Okay,
Hmm.
let's say I have two nodes U and V, right?
Okay.
Do you know how to find the LCA of U and V?
What do you call it? Lowest common ancestor,
Lowest
right?
common ancestor,
So
right?
basically, wait, I might be dumb, but it's like going down and down until you find one node. I don't know, bro. I'm dumb. I'm sorry.
Yeah. You're kind of right. The thing is
Hmm.
like, think of the, like, for example, the tree is rooted at 0. Okay,
Hmm.
just
Hmm.
assume. Okay,
Hmm.
so the naive way that I would do is basically, okay, I'll take a path. Wait, path from root 0 to U, right?
Hmm.
I'll take a I'll take a path from root 0 to V, right?
Hmm.
Now let's say the path from 0 to V, 0 to U, let's say 0 1 2 0 1 5. Okay, I'm just assuming, and this path is, let's say, 0 4 5. Okay,
Hmm.
So can you tell from these two arrays which will be the what is the lowest common ancestor of U and V?
0.
No, no. It will be 5, right?
Wait, so the two nodes are what? Acha, okay, 0 for okay, yeah, it's 5. I'm so dumb. I'm sorry.
Wait,
Please
wait, wait,
pardon.
wait, 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 wait. I think I'm doing wrong. Sorry. Wait. Oh, sorry. I'm wrong. U and V can be same. Sorry. You're right. I'm so sorry. Okay,
Okay,
that's my fault. Sorry.
no
So okay,
worries, no
I
worries.
didn't mention it, so that's why I'm dumb, man. Okay, let's say U is 5, V is 6. Okay,
Hmm. Okay, bro.
so
On a side note, I'm sorry to disturb. You don't have any plans for today? Like, why are you attempting? It's 14th of Feb and you're attempting lead code contests.
I mean, bruh.
You do know what day is it today, right?
I mean, I know, but I don't care.
You don't care. You don't have a
I mean,
partner.
nah, bro.
Same, bro. Same. That's why I like you as my mentor. Continue. Continue.
Yeah. So okay. So whatever. Wait. Let me tell. Let's consider U as 5. Okay, V as 6. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
fine. And let's say root as 0. Fine.
Hmm.
Let's say you know that in a tree, if I have to say that I have a path from root 0 to 5, okay,
Hmm.
there can only be one path, right?
Right.
Yeah, you know that. Perfect. So let's take a path from 0 to V5. Let's say that is 0, 1, 4, 5. Okay. And from 0 to 6, let's say 0, 1, 6. Okay.
Okay.
What do you think is the lowest common ancestor?
For 0145016, it's 1.
Yeah, exactly. So can you tell me what would the time complexity of this process like?
So,
How would you implement it?
so you're doing DFS once, you're doing two
Okay,
DFS, right?
fine.
So what's the time complexity of DFS, you're asking?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so trash. What's the time complexity of DFS? I don't know, bro. I'll be honest. Besides giving a wrong answer, I'll just say I don't know.
Okay. Don't worry. Doesn't matter. Give a guess. Like what can it be? O of n, O of n log n, O of log n. What do you think?
No, I think n log n. I don't know. I'm sorry.
It's O of n because think in DFS you are basically in worst case you're traversing all the nodes, right?
Oh, that's such. Of course. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you're right. In the
Look,
worst case, you're
look.
going.
The thing is, log n term comes in time complexity when you're let's say sorting, when you're doing merge sort, when you're doing binary search, and those kind of things. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
People in the chat are laughing at me.
until unless you're dividing something by 2, then don't think of log n. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. The plain old O of n. Okay.
Okay.
So binary lifting. Sorry, lofting. Sorry. Binary lifting can achieve the same thing in O of log n.
Binary lifting can achieve the same thing in.
Sorry, thing.
Okay. Okay. So all this to go from O of n to O of log n.
Hmm.
Wow. Okay, bro.
So the basic idea of binary lifting is pretty cool, I would say, because let's say what binary does is basically DP. Okay, it's basically DP. Okay,
Okay.
so don't worry, it's pretty easy. Okay,
No, I'm
so
just
first,
I see the reason you're seeing me laugh is because some people in the I don't know if you're seeing the chat, but they're writing some crazy comments about me. Right? So I'm laughing on them. Don't think I'm not listening. I'm listening. Please go ahead. I'm sorry.
okay, I don't worry, like
Hmm.
let them laugh.
Yeah.
Okay,
They're laughing at
so
my n log n, bro. I'm dumb, I know. No worries. Let's go. He's from my
don't
team,
worry about
serious.
that.
Hmm.
So the thing
Hmm.
is like binary lifting is basically a DP concept. Okay,
Okay.
so the idea for first answer me this question. Let's say I have I don't know 10 to the 5 nodes
Hmm.
in a tree.
Hmm.
So uh, tell me in worst case scenario, okay,
Hmm.
what's the maximum height of the tree?
Bro, again a question. So we have
No,
one E5 nodes in a tree. In the worst
okay.
case scenario, the maximum height of tree.
Wait. To make things simpler, remove 1 if I. Let's take just 5 nodes.
Okay. So you have 5 nodes. So it can be
Yeah.
in the worst case, it can be three.
Why?
Oh, it's not a binary tree. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. In the worst case scenario, it's can only a completely right skewed tree, right?
Yeah,
It
exactly.
can, in the worst case scenario, it's going to be 5. I was thinking in terms of binary. I'm sorry.
I mean, even if it was a binary tree, it would still be five now, because binary says that it has at most two children, right? If I'm not
Oh,
wrong.
I'm so dumb. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Yeah, sir, you're right. I'm so dumb. Yep. Okay.
Yeah, I don't worry.
Hmm.
So what binary lifting does is basically we create a table. Okay.
Hmm.
So the idea is, let's say, let's consider node u. Okay.
Okay.
So the idea is, I will, let's say I consider dpu. Wait, I'm telling you what these things mean. Dpu comma I means, sorry, 2 to the power ith, 2 to the power ith ancestor of u.
Wait. So binary lifting is a DB concept, and it's a table node U.
Wait, listen,
Hmm.
uh, remove dp. Okay, just
Okay.
focus on the this thing. If
Okay.
I ask you, let's say you are node u. Okay,
Hmm.
if I ask you, find the 2 to the power ith ancestor of u.
Oh, so it's like the 0th ancestor, the second
Yeah,
ancestor,
exactly. So
fourth
basically,
ancestor.
you just go up, right?
Up. Yep.
Yeah. So let's say if I'm at node 0, okay, let's say this node is 5, okay, and the
Hmm.
parent of 5 is 4, okay. So the
Say that
ancestor of
again.
5 is,
Say that again. What did you just say? I lost concentration.
okay. So let's say, let's consider the node as 5, okay,
Hmm.
and the parent of 5 is 4.
Hmm.
So who is the ancestor of 5? The first ancestor of 5.
The parent of 5 is 4, right?
Yeah,
So 4 is the ancestor.
exactly,
Hmm.
exactly.
Hmm.
So now if I ask you, let's say if I ask you the trees like three, uh, uh, parent of 5 is 4, parent of 4 is 3, right?
Hmm.
Now who is the second ancestor of 5?
3.
Exactly.
Right.
So 2 to the power I is just a number, okay? Don't think why it's 2 to the I, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's done to make your life easier. Don't worry about it.
Okay, bro.
Okay. So
I can't see how is this making my life easier, but okay.
no,
Okay.
it will, because thing is,
Okay.
like, for example, think about it.
Okay.
Let's say, let's say we remove 2 to the power I, okay? Let's say we say that this is the ith ancestor of u, okay?
All right.
So let's think about the space complexity of this table, okay?
Hmm.
So let's say U has 1e5 nodes, okay?
Hmm.
And I think about it at max, like you said, if there are 5 nodes in a tree, in max case, the max height will be 5, right?
5. Yep. Yep.
Right. So the worst number for I would be 1e5 itself, right?
Right.
So the memory would be what? 1e10.
1E10. Yep.
So this will give memory limit exceed error, right?
Right.
Right. So the idea what they do is basically they choose 2 to the power ith ancestor,
Hmm.
because think about it. Because thing is like 2 to the power I, 2 to the 20 is, I think, just more than 1e5. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Because it is 1024 cube, that is 1e6. Okay, fine.
Hmm.
So 2 to the 20 is just more than 1e5. Okay.
Hmm.
So if I store 2 to the ith ancestor of u, then I would just need 1e5 nodes and 20 ancestors. Okay.
Right.
So this memory will be fine. Think about it, right? 1e5 into 20 is 2e6.
Wait. So rather than storing all ancestors, you stored
Yeah,
ancestors in the power of 2.
yeah, exactly.
And how does that cover all cases? Like if I wanted
Okay,
the third ancestor of something?
I understand. I understand. Okay. Can you do one thing? Can you just open? There's a lead code question called kth ancestor of a tree. Can you search it
Okay.
once?
Okay. Do you want me to share my screen?
And it would be good if you can do that. Okay, let me stop sharing.
Kth ancestor of a node in a binary tree.
No, in just search kth ancestor of tree, you will get the result.
Okay, kth ancestor of a tree node. So right now you're
Yeah,
teaching me binary lifting, right?
What?
You're teaching me binary lifting right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me share my screen.
The thing is, I want to teach you why is it useful, not just okay, this is binary lifting.
Okay,
Because if I teach you like that, then it's no point.
no, makes sense. Okay, this is the question.
Yeah.
2100 rated. Okay. Please don't say that I have to solve this.
No, you don't have to. This is the question that is the introduction to binary lifting. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Right. Good night, bro. I'm leaving for the gym. Good night, bro. Eric too made a good video on it. No, bro, augmented take is also explaining very good. I understand what he's talking about. But you can make any number using binary press. Pradeep, bro, yeah, I can see that. Bro, people are appreciating you in the chat.
I mean,
You might.
once you have done reading, just tell me. Okay.
Acha, you were waiting for me to read the question. Oh, sorry. You're given
Yeah,
a
it's
tree.
fine, it's fine, it's fine.
You're given a tree with n nodes numbered from 0 to n minus 1, where parent I is the parent of ith node. What are we given? N nodes. The root of the tree is node 0. Find the kth ancestor of a given node. The kth ancestor of a tree node is initializes the object with the number of nodes in the tree and the parent array. Given a tree and nodes numbered from 0 to n minus in the form of. Okay. So herein
Okay.
it's storing every
First,
parent.
tell me what would be a naive way to solve this. Just tell me.
The kth ancestor of a tree node is the kth node in the path. So we want to find the kth ancestor, right? And what we are given is we are given a immediate parent of every node.
Yep.
We are given immediate parent of every node. So we just go for every node, we just keep going to the kth level. Like find its parent if it's asking for the first parent. If not, then find parent's parent. Am I right?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
But first you would make the adjacency list, right?
Yep, exactly.
Yeah, you know how to make adjacency list from this parent and this stuff, right?
I guess I do.
Yeah,
Do you
no,
want
but
me to?
it's easy. Only think about it. If parent I is connected to you, if parent I is connected to I, right?
Right.
Consider parent I as U and I as V, right?
We can
So
make
U is
the edge.
connected to V.
We can make the edge up.
Connected to V, so done, no?
Right.
Yeah. So adjacency list is very easy. Okay, don't worry about that.
Yep.
So naive way would be like, okay, you have the root. Okay, is it set? Okay, the root is at 0, right?
Yep.
So you can do a DFS from 0 to that node, right? And then find the kth value, right, of the array, right?
Yeah, that's one way to do it.
So that's a O of n operation.
Big O of n, yep.
But there are, I guess, queries given, right? So O of n cube won't work. You can check the constraints. Check.
What are the constraints? It's yep,
Yeah,
50,000.
it won't work. It will 1e9. It was sorry, less than that, but it won't work, right? Now let me show you my my solution for this question. Wait, how to share?
Okay, bro.
Okay.
I shall stop presenting, right? I stop presenting, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see my screen, right?
Right, I can.
Okay. So the idea is to like use binary lifting as the name suggests, right? Like as I told you, right?
Just a second.
Before that, let me just teach you one thing. Like for example, what are the transitions? Wait. Like we were at this stage, right? That let's say dp of u comma I. This represents the 2 to the power ith ancestor of u, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm gonna write one thing. Notice this very clearly. Okay.
Bro.
Wait. Did I give the correct bracket? Wait. Okay. First, I wanted to notice one thing. Wait. First, tell me what is this thing? dp of ui minus 1.
Here, you are storing the ith ancestor of u, right?
Yeah.
So this is like the I minus 1th ancestor of u.
Yep. Perfect.
But
So
this is
dp u of
okay.
I
This is
minus 1 is 2 to the power I minus 1 ancestor of u, right?
okay. Okay. You're stating the power of
Right.
2. Okay.
Yeah. Now let's consider. Let's just store this as v. Okay, just for sake of clarity and okay. So let's say so in this equation, this one. Okay. Let's just copy this. I am writing this as
What even is this?
dp of v of I minus 1. Right.
So v denotes the
2 to the
2i
power I
minus
minus
1
1 ancestor of u.
u. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now think. Now here's the main part. Think
Right.
about this. Think about this. You are at, let's say, node u. Okay.
Huh.
Right. You jump upwards to 2 to the power I minus 1 ancestor of u. Right.
Okay.
Right.
Right.
Now from that point, you jump 2 to the power I minus 1 steps upwards.
So you went from u to its 2 to the power of I minus 1 ancestor, right?
Yep. Yep.
And from there you said you need to jump how many steps up?
2 to the power I minus 1.
2 to the power of I minus 1. Okay.
Yes. Now you
Steps,
must be
right?
asking why. I'm
Steps,
telling you.
not
Wait.
ancestors.
Huh?
So when we reach 2 to the power I minus 1 ancestor, acha, steps and ancestors are the same thing. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Same. Okay. First things first. 2 to the power I minus 1 plus 2 to the power I minus 1. What is this? Tell me.
2 to the power I minus 1 plus 2 to the power I minus 1. This is same thing. Multiply by 2. 2 to the power
So what
2i
is this?
minus 2.
So it will be what?
2 to the power of 2i minus 2. No.
I mean,
Bro, I'm getting exported. This is x plus x, right? This is 2x.
yeah.
2x. Bro, I'm gonna get
So 2 into 2 to
frustrated.
the power I minus 1, right?
Right.
So that is 2 to the power I, right?
Right.
Right?
Yep.
This is the magic. Okay. Think. What did I say? dp u of I minus 1 is 2 to the power I minus 1 ancestor of u, right?
Just say that again. I'm sorry, bro. I'm lost right now.
Fine. Think about it. Okay. Let's think about it this way. I'm at this level. Okay. Like think of this. Think of particular level. I'm at a particular level. Okay.
Okay.
Jump 2 to the power I minus 1 steps upwards.
Okay. We reached that step.
Yeah, you reach this point. Now jump 2 to the power I minus 1 steps more upwards.
Okay.
So 2 to the power I minus 1 plus 2 to the power I minus 1 is 2 to the power I, right?
Right.
So so now you are at 2 to the power I distance from you, right?
Yep. The 2 to the power of I ancestor, right? Yeah, distance ancestor, same thing.
Exactly.
Right.
And that's exactly this thing, na? Think about it.
Bro, who even invents things like these?
No, this fun.
This what?
This is fun. Don't worry.
This is fun. Okay.
I don't. The first time I saw this thing, I was also scared. I tried to memorize this thing, and it failed miserably. Okay.
When did
Then
you
one
learn?
day I just thought about learning, and it just happened. It's very easy. Don't worry.
Okay.
No, see, here's the thing. Let's say you are at level 5. Okay. You have to reach.
No, I get it.
You
We can make any number from this, like, right?
Just let me just reiterate. Okay. So let's say you are at level 5. Okay. I'm telling you to go to find the 2 to the power 4th ancestor of 5. Okay. Okay. So basically, I want you to find dp of 5, 4. Right.
Right. 5 is our
So let's
node. 5 is our node, and we need
5
to
is our
find
node. 4 is basically 2 to the 4.
2 raised to the 4 power of. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's just consider this is at like so let's just consider number line. Okay. Wait. So this is 5. This will this is and we have to reach to maybe 16 plus 5, right? 16
Right.
plus 5,
Right.
which is equal to 21, right?
21.
Do you
Wait,
agree?
wait. 16 plus 5 what?
I'm just giving an example, okay?
Okay,
Think
okay, okay.
about this 5. I
Okay.
want to move 16 steps towards the right.
Towards up, right?
I I know there is a tree, but I'm just giving you an example, okay? This will
Okay.
happen.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Think
Okay.
of, right up your 5 in the number line, okay? You want to move 16 steps towards the right, okay?
Hmm.
So 16 plus 5 is what, 21, right?
21. Hmm.
Yep, perfect. Can I do it in this way? Let's say I'm at 5, okay?
Hmm.
I go to 13, then I go to 21.
So you went from 5, 13, and 21. These are nodes, right?
Yeah. Just think of these numbers as in the number line, okay? Don't worry about nodes right now. Just
Okay.
the concept is same, okay?
Okay.
So look, my job is to go from 5 to 21, right?
Okay, right. You
I
can do
went
that.
from
Exactly, exactly. You can.
what? Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I want to do this is the same as going from 5 to 13 and going from
30,
13 to
13 to
21.
13 to 21. Okay, okay, right,
Exactly.
right. Absolutely.
Exactly. Exactly. Now I want you to find the difference between 13 and 5. What is that? 8, right?
8, 8.
So can I write this as
Oh, no, I get it. I get it now. So you want to reach from x to y, and
yeah?
y minus x is a decimal number, and decimal number can always be represented in sums of power of 2. That's what we are doing, right?
I mean, yeah, you're kind of like you are kind of you are kind of there. Don't worry, but let me just solidify your understanding. Okay,
Okay,
you're
okay,
kind of there. Okay,
okay.
so do you agree with me that 5 to 13 is basically DP of 5 3?
5 to 13 is
Yeah,
DP of 5, 3. DP of 5, 3
think about
means no, DP of 5. Oh, exactly, exactly. 2 to the power of 3, right?
exactly,
Hmm.
exactly.
Hmm.
And what is 13 to 21? DP of 13 3.
Bro, I get it now. I get it. Okay, okay. Yeah, you're right, bro.
Exactly.
This is like magic.
So
Integer
DP of
Udam.
5 of 4,
Yo, wait, wait,
right?
wait. I need to talk to a guy in the chat. Mudit Kothari, not decimal integer Udam. Decimal is a system, right? Decimal system.
Yeah. It
Decimal
is
is a
obviously.
system.
Yeah, exactly.
Mudit, bro. Okay, never mind, bro. This is like magic. I get it now. Okay, okay, okay. That's why we are storing in the powers of 2 to the I. We are
Exactly,
reducing
exactly,
we are reducing the space complexity, but we can also access every parent, whatever we want.
exactly.
Oh, okay. So all this time of me embarrassing myself, now I can understand what you're trying to say. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Yes. So now you can understand DP of 5 4 is equal to DP of, think about DP of 5 3, right?
Right. DP of
Then
5
again,
3. Oh,
right?
4 minus 1.
That is 3. I just wrote that in that way so you understand, right?
Right, bro. This is
Okay.
crazy. Okay, okay. I understand it.
Okay. Now here comes the main part. You will store these things, okay? You can
Right.
do that in DFS, okay?
Hmm.
Now let's say I give you a number K. Sorry. Now it's not guaranteed that a K will be a power of 2, right? It can be anything, right?
Yep, we can break it in the power of 2, but we can break it in the power of 2.
Exactly. Now consider K as 13. Okay.
Hmm.
What is a binary of 13? What the fuck is that? 8 4. I
8,
think
8
8 4
plus
1.
4.
I think 1
Wait, what?
1 1
Acha, the binary of
0 1. I
13.
think 1 1 0 1. Right.
Exactly.
Exactly. Now think about it. Now okay, let's go 13 years. Like can you write 13 years? Let's say 8 plus 4 plus 1.
Right, we can. Oh,
Right.
this is
So
crazy.
what does
I
that mean?
understand it now. Thank you. Nice, nice, nice.
Exactly.
Okay, okay. Keep going,
So
keep going.
let's say yeah. So let's say I'm at node 5. Sorry, node 5, and I wanna find 13th ancestor of 5, right?
13th ancestor of 5, yes?
Yeah. So 13
Wait,
is
can I
8.
write the equation for this? Can I write the equation for this?
Sure, right. Like
So,
open your yeah.
13th. Okay, okay. Let me try, bro. Now, the people who are laughing at me. Wait, let me share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Can
Wait,
I?
let me stop sharing.
Or maybe you watch my. Okay, let me share my screen then. Wait, bro. People were laughing at me in the chat. Hands on table, bro. Pradeep, shut up. Now let me write. So You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Right. So dp, wait, loading. Okay, dp of ij means, it basically means ith node का
I
ancestor.
know the jth ancestor.
uh,
Say,
no,
2 to the jth
2
ancestor.
to the power of j minus 1, right? J minus 1 or
No,
what?
no, I note का 2 to the jth ancestor, right?
अच्छा, ith node का 2 to the power, तो मैं यहाँ से jth ancestor, right?
Yeah, this is
Exactly,
the meaning of
exactly.
dpij.
Okay. This is the meaning of dpij. Now you wanted me to write the equation of fifth node का 13th ancestor, right?
Yep.
So that's basically fifth node के एट्थ एंसेस्टर का, नहीं, फर्स्ट एंसेस्टर निकालो, फिर उसका एट्थ एंसेस्टर निकालो, है ना? एंड आफ्टर दैट
Exactly.
1 plus 8 is 9, and after that you can find the fourth ancestor of that, right?
Yep.
so
Exactly.
so bro, people in the chat now see now, so
Like just one clarification that इसमें 184 ना लिख ले, मतलब तू देख when we loop तू serially loop करेगा ना, so 148 कर देना, ठीक है?
one, oh exactly, I'm dumb,
तो
right,
मतलब समझ, तो बाइनरी को एक्सट्रैक्ट करेगा, so like
hmm.
random हो
makes
जा रहा
sense,
है ना?
makes sense. So you will first find the first ancestor, okay?
Yep.
Then you
Yep.
will find this thing's fourth ancestor, okay?
Yep.
Then you will find
fourth नहीं, two because ये four तो already है ना, so 2 square is 4 ना, so समझ रहा है?
what did you say?
I mean, you have to find the fourth ancestor, right?
Right,
But that is in powers of 2 na, so
powers of 2. So do you want me to write 2 square here?
yeah, 2, yeah.
Okay, 2 square. Acha, oh, acha,
Right?
हाँ, sorry.
Yeah.
So then this would also be 0 then.
Yeah, हाँ, मतलब हाँ,
This
zero
would
लिख
also
दिया
be
मैंने,
0,
sorry.
okay.
Yeah.
And then we will find deep this. Bro, am I
Yeah.
right?
Exactly, bro.
Now laugh. Who were laughing in the chat? Laugh now. Who were laughing in the chat? Bro, I wrote the equation myself thanks to Augmented Tech, the IITN. Thank you, bro. I'm not laughing on you. I'm laughing on these people who thought you can't do this. 9 a.m. games, you're such a dal badlu. No worries, bro. This is cool. Okay, I like this concept. Now, what do we make of this?
Wait, I'm just gonna show my code for this kth ancestor wala shit.
Okay. Let me stop sharing then.
Yeah.
Bro, you're such a good teacher.
Thanks, bro. हाँ, so like no, like you can like मैंने यहाँ पर DP के छोड़ up लिखा है, पता नहीं क्यों, but just लिखा है, like
Okay.
same thing only, name does not matter, right? So we do classical DFS, right? इसमें मैंने assign कर दिया कि देख, if you are in a node, okay, उसका immediate बाप तो उसका parent ही होगा ना? Right. So then,
तो हाँ, अच्छा, ये तो base condition set कर रहे हो, right? Makes sense.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Base condition, exactly. Yeah. So then I fill the DP table like this, like using the same equation. And एक है कि let's say you are at root, okay. For example, let's say you are at root, okay. उसका तो कोई बाप नहीं है ना, समझ रहा है ना?
Right. Okay, there's
तो उसका
wait. Okay, go on. There's a question in the chat. Maybe we can handle that later. Go on.
Okay. So let's say for example the root, okay. So there is no ancestor for that, right? Because that is the top of the tree, right?
Absolutely.
So for that we can assign that to be -1, right?
Right.
Yeah. So that's the basic stuff. And basic recursion, as you can see, DFS, blah, right? Let's come to this part. How to get the kth ancestor, right? So what's the idea? We'll find the bits, right?
We'll find the bits, right? Of course, we need, because उसी के jump पे जाना है.
Exactly. So if the bit is set, हम इसको ये assign कर रहे हैं, like you did.
We can.
Exactly. So let's this basically condition. Let's say think, for example, let's say I'm at a node, okay. Let's say the k is out of bounds, समझ रहा है?
Right.
Let's say for example the height of the tree is 10 to the 5, पर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि तू 10 to the 6 ancestor निकाल.
मतलब
this is not possible, right?
जो ancestor exist ही नहीं करता.
Exactly. So that's why I'm returning -1. खत्म.
Bro. Wait, but ऊपर क्या करा है? एक बारी वो क्या करा है?
Okay, so basically this is ये वाला.
What is this tree ancestor? Acha,
अरे
this
ये
is
तो मतलब
adjacency
वो
list.
तो what?
Like,
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
this is
एजेंसी लिस्ट का वो कोड
this
है.
is adjacency list. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
now since I've done bind lifting, I can actually teach you how LCA is like done in login.
bro. This was worth it, bro. This was worth it. But how does it help in solving the fourth question?
Like it won't solve directly, but the thing is, क्या बोलते हैं? Let's say तेरा U2B जो path है ना, उसमें to find the frequency, okay. To find the frequency, you will need the. I'll tell you, it's a bit complicated. It's the fourth question. Leave it, it's a bit complicated. Okay,
Okay.
let's teach you how to do LC. LC is actually LC using lifting is a bit complicated. I'll be very honest.
But
Okay.
what is not complicated then?
I mean, uh, I mean, I don't know, man.
Nah,
Like you
nah.
can try.
But
You can.
see, the concept you taught me now, I can see it. It is cool, and I don't think so. I'll forget it anytime soon.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Okay, you know what, guys? LCA will take a bit longer time. Okay. So I'm also ready to join the stream tomorrow. I'll teach it tomorrow. LCA. Okay.
Okay.
Let me just help you in some resources that like people want. If you
Yeah,
want to,
give some
if you want to,
resources. And people
okay, if
who
you want,
wants to just a second, people who want to ask him anything rather than making some stupid jokes. Both bro single as hell. Of course we are. Ask what questions do you want to ask this lead code god. Okay? Yeah, bro. Give some resources.
yeah, for binary lifting with LCA, I would suggest you to watch Karthik Arora's YouTube channel. Like,
Karthik Arora,
uh,
okay.
like 5 साल पुराना एक वीडियो है वो उसमें देख लेना वो काफी अच्छा है. Okay.
Okay.
For trees in general, because for example, like many people just solve binary trees, right? These are
Right.
pointers रहते हैं, right?
Hmm.
But lead code, I'm showing you with one thing. With
Just hold on a second. Just hold on a second.
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Did
so I'm
did
just
you
showing you
hear?
one thing.
Did you hear
In
what I
lead
said?
code, yeah,
Did you hear what I said?
yeah.
अच्छा, I muted it from stream, not from you. Okay, no worries. Yeah, go on.
I just chill यार matter नहीं करता.
Hmm.
But ठीक है.
Hmm.
Yeah, so sorry, wait, in problems. So lead code में there is a tag called trees, okay.
Hmm.
So many people have the habit of just solving binary trees, okay.
Hmm.
But actually, I think you should actually solve this tree or tag, समझ रहे? Because tree में let's say because binary tree we are having per 2 children per node, right?
Right.
But in trees it can be general, like n children per node, समझ रहे? And in this trees tag there are pretty good questions,
I'm looking
like
at
pretty
your
hard good questions.
I'm looking at your lists. New concept list, hard, final, bro. Are you a lead code nerd? Of
I
course you are.
mean,
Of course you are.
it's a habit, so like yeah. Like for example, I'll show you one problem, which is like for example, let's say the palindrome वाला question जो आज आया था, let's say.
आज कौन सा palindrome का आया था, bro?
जो fourth वाला.
अच्छा, okay.
Okay, so I think many people may have seen this question, but the idea is kind of same.
2.6K
count path.
rated? No way. Okay, go on.
Like the idea is same, the count paths that can form palindrome tree, but in the fourth question उसमें point update था, so थोड़ा tricky हो गया था basically.
Okay.
But the idea is same, okay? So I would suggest people to, let's say, practice tree stack from lead code.
Okay.
Wait, tree
Tree
stack.
stack.
Yeah.
Bro, screenshot
LC.
screenshot this resource list. He's revealing all the gold mine.
I think you should definitely try CSES का tree section.
CACS, bro, they have insanely strict like judgment criterias. If
I know, but that's the beauty of it, na. Like,
how's that beauty? That's irritating. Like if I use a map, they'll reject it. They want a vector for hashing. What's the sense
I
there?
mean, it depends because map पे तो login होता है ना. If I'm not wrong, I forgot. Map पे login होता है.
Right.
But unordered map में तो वो form में हो जाता है. But एक वो भी है कि but unordered map में ये है कि there can be hash collisions as well. So
yep.
Like so in code forces there are problems where you will try to use unordered map, it will give wrong answer.
In code. Wait, wrong answer for unordered map? Why?
Yeah,
Acha, matlab TLE or what?
because it's something called hash collision and like for example, I'll give an example. Like for example, wait.
I have heard
Let,
about hash collision, but never really like read about it.
even I haven't read about it, but just remember that कुछ problem हो रहा है
कुछ-
basically.
Okay, okay.
इतना
Also, bro, I need some good segmentary resource. I want to
yeah,
learn
yeah,
segmentary.
yeah. I don't worry. I'll keep it.
Hmm.
Don't worry.
Hmm.
So, for example, let's say map में क्या होता है? Let's say you have to make a very complicated map. Let's say few contests have a question था ना design auction system वाला.
What question?
Design auction system वो bidding वाला समझ रहा है ना?
I think मैंने वो contest skip करा था, but never mind.
नहीं नहीं
I remember.
नहीं तूने किया था मैं तो stream देखा था.
अच्छा, मैंने करा था. Could I solve it?
I think so. I don't remember. But अरे वो छोड़. Let's
Okay.
say map में let's say ये pair वाला some shit है. फिर let's say और pair वाला some shit है.
Hmm.
या let's say set या जब when you will see that this map is getting very complicated, okay,
Hmm.
it's very good to stick to map for this kind of stuff, okay.
अच्छा, जिसके
Don't
अंदर
use
basically जहाँ पे keys आपकी बहुत ज्यादा वो हो रही है
yeah
complicated.
when the keys are getting very complicated like pair set pair समझ रहे हैं बहुत multi set फिर लगा रहा है, then it's good to stick with map.
Hmm.
Unknown maps are good for let's say your basic let's say int pair int वो सब के लिए अच्छा है.
Hmm.
For that you won't get hash collisions.
Oh, when
So-
the key is simple.
हाँ मतलब जब simple देगा जब use another map.
Hmm.
The basic rule is basically because map with log and time complexity होता है right.
Hmm.
So let's say if all the questions you solve by map you won't ever have an issue, okay. So
Oh.
that is that.
But map is a bit slower, right?
Yeah, obviously it's a bit slower, definitely.
Okay.
But login से वो वहाँ से इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Hmm.
Okay, so in CST section, okay, I won't search to solve all the questions because sub question तो नहीं होने वाला. So I would search to solve from the beginning. Sorry, beginning to वो वाला path queries question.
Okay.
Like wait, let me show you my CSS. Wait.
Bro, you also need to show your code forces.
Yeah, I will. Don't worry. I'll show it after this.
You map are good for nothing. The 9 a.m. guy made his laugh. Bro, 9 a.m. is the new Kavish. Damn, look at your profile.
No, CSS मैंने इतना वो नहीं किया, but ठीक है. ये देख.
अच्छा,
Tree
this is
algorithm में
कब?
ये है. In tree algorithm, start from subordinates till subtree queries, okay?
Right.
Because
यहाँ
ये
तक.
path queries में in path queries there is something called heavy light decomposition जो नहीं होने वाला. That's a very tough.
What decomposition?
Heavy light decomposition algorithm है.
Bro,
बहुत
what-
complicated है.
What is your vocabulary? ये कहाँ से सीख रहे हो भाई ये सब?
अरे मेरे को ये vocabulary पता है, मेरे को ये पता नहीं कि algorithm होता क्या है HLD. वो छोड़, वो कभी नहीं आने वाला.
Okay. Bro,
And to be honest, ये जो fourth question था ना, ये technically HLD का question ही था actually. Path queries का question है.
okay.
But you could solve it using Euler 2 and Fenwick tree. So thank God.
Okay. Bro, this is.
Okay, so वो छोड़.
Hmm.
Basically beginning to I think subtree queries अच्छा होगा.
अच्छा होगा मतलब कि क्या अच्छा होगा मतलब?
I'm बोल रहा हूँ. So trees में okay, in trees there are I think some major concepts. Okay, so one thing is binary lifting for sure.
Hmm.
Binary lifting, LCA using LCA and log n
Hmm.
using lifting. Okay, then there's something called tree rerouting.
LC and login, अच्छा, you didn't teach me that because you told it's quite tough.
Yeah. I'll do tomorrow. Don't worry.
Okay.
So yeah, this is called tree rerouting. Okay. So, let's see. There is something called tree rerouting. Okay. Like
Rerouting, this was asked in Infosys online assessment, I remember.
What?
The question on tree rerouting, it was asked in Infosys OA.
Damn, bro.
Yeah.
So basically rerouting में क्या हो रहा है कि basically let's say तू देगा एक tree है, ठीक है, they will ask something for a particular route. Now बोलेगा calculate the answer for every route. Okay.
What? Repeat.
Okay. For example, let's say एक tree है, ठीक है. Okay. let's say you have to, let's say बोलेगा you have to calculate something, okay?
Hmm.
So the basic logic is you calculate the answer for one root, okay, and
Right.
then change the root and find the answer for every root.
Oh, okay.
Like for example, हर नोट को root समझ and फिर
Hmm.
आंसर
Fair
कैलकुलेट
karo.
कर.
हाँ, exactly. This was like I couldn't even understand what the question was asking. This similar language was used in Infosys OA, and I thought maybe I can do trees question. DFS BFS तो लगेगा. But I of course could not. I wish I met you like 1 year ago. Never mind.
अरे कोई ना, calculation for
For 3.5 LP,
if,
no, they were paying 21 when they came for this. It was the same.
damn,
No, it was like common OA for 21, 16, and 11 LP. That OA had this question.
damn. हाँ, so tree rerouting है, and there
Hmm.
is something like the tree rerouting is basically tree DP. इस tree DP का अंदर ही पड़ता है,
Okay.
समझ रहे?
Okay.
But rerouting थोड़ा ज़्यादा आसान होता है, so you know, yeah.
Bro,
Tree DP
rerouting
मतलब,
आसान होता है, and there is a guy in my chat, Sarthak. Do you know him? Sarthak Mathur?
yeah, I have talked to him like in comment section.
Okay, you've talked to him, right? He is saying
Yeah.
rerouting is a very advanced topic. You're saying it's easy.
Not really, like rerouting like मतलब obviously problem में depend करता है obviously,
Hmm.
but I think like जो let's say कुछ problem में दिखा सकता हूँ, उसमें rerouting लग रहा है उसमें काफी आसान है. Obviously
Okay.
अगर तुम कोड फोर्सेस का 1900 ले लो क्वेश्चन लेकर आओ देन तो क्या ही करोगे.
Bro, show your code forces now.
I'm telling bro, I'm showing you. I just
अच्छा,
not
अच्छा.
100 problems of code forces, but I'm just showing you. Wait.
Okay, okay,
So
okay. No worries.
बिल्कुल इतना कत्ता नहीं, but ठीक है. But let's say TDP. TDP is more general, I would say. Okay. But जो DP होता है just apply to trees. Okay. Nothing much complicated. Then there is something called Euler tool. Euler tool, like I said, basically flatten. इसको flattening a tree बोलता है basically.
Bro, when Euler existed, there was no concept of DSA.
What?
When Euler was alive, there was no concept of DSA. How is a DSA technique named after him?
I mean, look, it's not about like तब तो वो है लीड को नहीं था, but let's say algorithms तो था ना. So like,
Okay, bro.
I think like
That's crazy.
algorithms is not just limited to LC and stuff, right?
Right. Hmm.
Right. So for tree, I would say is basically is this. For segment tree, I would suggest there's a good playlist by Code Story with I think Mike, I guess.
But I know he explains very good, but he makes like very lengthy videos, yeah. I have like
I
the
mean,
attention span of a goldfish.
उसमें तो मतलब देख अगर सेगमेंट ही सीखना है देन तो मतलब 10 मिनट में तो नहीं सीखने वाले.
Yeah, you're right. अंदर ही अंदर you must be thinking भाई कि देखना भी नहीं है, सीखना भी है.
नहीं यार ये होता है. So basically ये सब तो तेरा DSA का पार्ट है सीखने के लिए. अब basically if you want to, I think if you want, sorry, what the fuck is this? Okay. Wait. Oh, so let's say if you want to maybe level up in anything, let's say मैं क्या करता हूँ, let's say for example let's say कुछ चीज सीखा, let's say I learned something, let's say binary drifting सीखा.
Okay.
Then एक है there is something called CP, wait क्या बोलते हैं उसको, CP algorithms I think, right?
CP algorithms. Okay.
Sorry, CP algorithms. Okay, एक वेबसाइट है बेसिकली.
Okay.
उसमें you can देख सकता है बेसिकली वो इसी में एल्गोरिथम अच्छा इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के साथ सब कुछ है बेसिकली. ओके.
Okay.
Then basically there is a guy called Vivek Gupta. Wait, he's an ICT world finalist. Okay.
I know him. Like not personally, but I've seen him like thumbnail on YouTube, of course.
Yeah. So look, this guy is the actual god. Okay, he's crazy. Okay. So look, like for example, like if you want to solve hard questions like LC third question, LC fourth question, okay, especially the fourth question, okay, you should definitely watch his streams.
I should watch his streams. Okay.
Like for example, he does lead code. Not always. He does lead code post contest discussion sometimes. Like for example, he will solve all the lead code hards of the week or of the month in a stream, and the teachings that you will absorb from his stream, those things are invaluable. Actually, I've learned so many techniques from him.
From him, okay.
Yeah.
Vivek. And bro, you have to share this like Notion notebook or whatever.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Right.
Actually, mine this notion also has this binary search thing, but fine, I'll share it. I don't mind.
Yeah, please share. Also,
Yeah,
would
yeah.
help me.
I'll give it to you. You can share it to anyone. Like,
Right,
yeah,
please. What's your lead
right.
code rating?
So,
I am 1800. Right.
okay, so ये तो ठीक है, पर let's say एक बार हम आज का कॉन्टेस्ट में देख लेते हैं कि let's say क्या क्या जस्ट जल्दी स्किम थ्रू करेंगे
Bro,
एंड देखते हैं क्या हुआ.
bro.
What
So
the
now you're talking about like understanding the fourth question.
फोर्थ क्वेश्चन समझाने में बहुत टफ होगा
Bro,
बिकॉज बिग बॉस में.
this is aura farming. You have 4 ticks on the problem list. When can I expect to achieve that? That's crazy. 4 ticks,
Look,
all kill.
I mean, look, like for example, for me, 7 point is generally tough, but मुझे याद है कि I would suggest you to upsolve previous contest का third and fourth question. ये काफी अच्छा practice है.
Hmm.
तो अगर segmentary नहीं भी आ रहा है तो अभी भी ठीक है, because even I myself avoid segmentary. I try to do DP and graphs वाला harder questions. Uh, one way of one way of practicing is क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Let's say lead को tags जाओ. Let's say तेरे को DP practice करना है.
Hmm.
Just filtered by hard, not sort and stuff like that.
Okay.
I just randomly उठा problem solve करो.
Okay.
Like I'm like recently I've been learn recently. I think last 3-4 महीने हो गए मैं ऐसे ही grind कर रहा हूँ. Just randomly LC hards. अभी तो मैं medium इतना उठाता भी नहीं हूँ except contest. Just hard solve करो अपना आप हो जाएगा.
That's that's crazy. Rate his teaching skills. I'll go with 5. 5 by 5. Yeah, exactly. 5 by 5, bro. Teaching skills are insane. It's just that as a student, I am dumb, or else I could have like picked up the concepts you taught early. But bro,
I don't worry. I mean, like,
great
like,
teaching skills, bro.
I mean, like, ठीक है, like, और कुछ सीखना है तो बोला है कॉन्टेस्ट देख लेते हैं, पहले पहले देख लेते हैं
Wait,
कॉन्टेस्ट.
your voice lagged. What did you say?
पहले कॉन्टेस्ट का देख लेते हैं क्या, मतलब थोड़ा डिस्कशन कर लेते हैं यार.
Okay, yeah, bro. Because we also need to wrap it up. It's 10:15 already.
या आई नो, बट ठीक है, थोड़ा देख लेते हैं. सो
देखते हैं फिर.
पहला क्वेश्चन तो like, काफी आसान था आई गेस.
हाँ.
लाइक मतलब इसमें मतलब एक तो है ये वाला मैपिंग क्रिएट कर लो, ये वाला.
Just a second. Just a second. Entrant hub is out or not, bro? Can somebody tell me? Entrant hub is out or not?
चेक कर लेते हैं ना.
Yeah, you
वेट
check.
लेट मी चेक.
Check.
वेट लेट मी शेयर दिस टैब.
I won't if I will. Bro, what are people in the chat?
कौन सा क्वेश्चन है, कौन सा कॉन्टेस्ट था? 176 ना. आई थिंक इट शुड बी आउट. आई मीन लेट्स सी.
Purish में जाता हूँ. Okay, bro.
It's not out.
It's not out yet.
What? My rank is 670. What the fuck, damn.
That is crazy. 3-digit rank. What's the best rank you've ever achieved?
I think this is the best rank I've ever achieved.
Oh, this is your best rank?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, this
Okay,
is
yeah, let's
straightforward
rank
question.
rank फैंक छोड़ो अभी. So पहले ये कर लेते हैं. So this is pretty easy. Like first तो ये mapping create करना होगा. Then
हाँ,
basically
this
क्या
is-
बोला है?
Yeah, I think
Then
this is
calculate the
straightforward.
weight. Then do the modulo thing. Then ये add कर लो and खत्म. It's just basically solve the question basically, right?
Exactly.
Just simulation
Straightforward.
जो भी है.
Wait.
Okay, for this question, for this question, it's very funny because I didn't notice the constraints and I was thinking कि अच्छा, let's apply DSU. Like पहले keywords ले लेंगे, उसके बाद DFS करके वो कर लेंगे.
Wait a second. Yours is 1878? What are you? Okay, he must be trolling. Sorry. Go ahead.
Okay. हाँ. So for this question, like the final logic is pretty simple, but I kind of like overcomplicated it by trying to do DSU at first, but then I rectified that, thought that okay, K the constant है. Right.
Okay.
So ये भी आसान है. इसमें basically हम हर words का prefix ले रहे हैं, and if the and हम prefix को hash map पे store कर रहे हैं.
Augmented tech, bro. Just can you hold on a second? I need to
Yeah,
check
yeah,
entrant hub.
sure.
I need to check entrant hub, bro. Just hold on a second, okay?
Let me check yours. Wait, yours is what? Buddhist.
Buddhist G.
Yeah, I got it, I got
Bro,
it.
wait. सही में?
Bro, you're 1878. What the fuck, man?
No, don't lie. Don't lie. That is night. That
Ah,
is night.
it is. Wait, let me show you. Wait.
Did Ach, bro, I thought that's bro, I thought you're talking about my rating. That's my rank. Oh my god.
Bro, even this rank is good, man.
No, of
For
course.
last.
Of course, bro, oh my god, I thought I reached night. I thought I got a rating jump of 70. And they're
Damn, bro.
laughing. And they're laughing.
What's your current rating?
It's 1796.
That is like night होने में कितना लगता है? I think 54. मतलब 54 more, I think. 1850 शायद, right?
Somewhere around there, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, I was so happy for a second. Even you said it's 1878, bro. I was about to dance.
Bro, 1878 मतलब इसमें तो शायद बहुत rating बढ़ जाएगा.
Nah, I won't become a knight. I won't become a knight.
No, I think you can because देख तेरा पिछले contest में कितना हो रहा है? 5000 4000 रैंक हो रहा था ना?
I don't know. I don't even remember, bro.
ना I think इसमें 40 50 40 45 तो बढ़ने वाला है.
भाई आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
अरे मतलब हाँ यार मतलब हाँ so as you're discussing ये question तो काफी आसान था actually because prefix लो hash में घुसा लो and काम खत्म, right? Yeah, so
this is again like the first three questions were nothing, bro. If I could solve it, then they were nothing.
हाउस वाला क्वेश्चन मतलब थोड़ा ये तो थोड़ा बहुत गंदा क्वेश्चन था, क्या ही बोल.
गंदा क्यों?
राइट, गंदा मतलब इट्स जस्ट टू इजी है थर्ड के लिए.
हाँ, सो इजी क्वेश्चंस गंदे लगते हैं भाई आपको?
आई मीन थर्ड क्वेश्चन नॉर्मल टफ होना चाहिए, मजा आता है.
भाई आपके इसी मजे की वजह से हमारी रैंक गिरती है यार. प्लीज.
अरे यार
इजी क्वेश्चन आते हैं हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, आप कहते हो कि गंदा है यार. वाओ.
अरे ठीक हो यार, इसमें बेसिक थिंग इज लाइक स्टेट्स विल इंडेक्स एंड प्रीवियस हाउस ड्रॉप हुआ कि नहीं. सो यू हैव द ऑप्शन ऑफ स्किपिंग and if you want to drop, check the condition and I think हो जाएगा, right?
हाँ नहीं, this was a pretty straightforward, but I was like understanding it wrong in the first thing.
Yeah, same. Actually मैंने पहले previous drop वाला thing सोचा नहीं था. मैं सोचा कि इंडेक्स ही डालना है, क्या ही है. फिर मैं सोचा कि एडजस्टमेंट चेक कैसे करूंगा, सो मैंने प्रीवियस डाल दिया.
Okay, I got a penalty in second. How, bro? Sarthak, how are the good people getting penalties today and stupid like me got no penalty today? That's crazy.
फोर्थ क्वेश्चन तो मतलब काफी टफ है भाई. ये तो मतलब दिस बेसिकली द फैन विक्ट्री टेम्पलेट.
भाई पूरा स्क्रॉल करना है एंड तक, स्क्रॉल टिल द एंड.
ये वाला तेरा ऑयलर टूर वाला, टीएनटी आउट वाला, इसमें बाइनरी लिफ्टिंग यूजिंग एलसीए. इसमें बेसिकली इसमें तो हम चेक कर रहे हैं कि वो वाला प्रीफिक्स मास्क का अब्सॉर्ब कर रहे हैं. बेसिकली छोड़िए वाला भाई, छोड़िए मतलब.
This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. On words with length less than k, runtime error. Sarthak, newbie mistake. That's crazy.
अरे हाँ मतलब वो भी है.
But yeah. So you
yeah,
have to say something. So,
I think like एक मैंने भी देखा था कि many people also struggle with binary search. Like
binary search, I guess, yeah, your this would help everybody.
Yeah, like not the traditional binary search, but जिसमें वो binary search answer वाला होता है ना. Like maximize the minimum, minimize the maximum.
हाँ.
उसमें लोग काफी अटक जाते हैं. So there is that. और हाँ, मैं एक और सजेस्ट करूंगा ऑप्सॉल्व के लिए. वेट एक मिनट. एक था कि लीड कोड हार्ड जस्ट सॉल्व करो यार.
ओके,
सॉल्व करो.
ओके.
और कोड फोर्सेस में 1400 to 1600 सॉल्व करो.
Bro, is this a joke? Do you know how tough code forces 1600 are?
अरे देख, कोड फोर्स का एक टेम्पलेट होता है. I'll be honest, like for example मैं बोल रहा हूँ, let's say कोड फोर्स, let's say if you take 800 to 1100, ये तो पहले ये तो लाइक काफी ad hoc वो होता है.
What is the meaning of ad hoc?
Ad hoc मतलब let's say there is no particular algorithm to solve it. It's like basically just observation, like basic reasoning, क्लास 5-6 मैथ्स वो वाला चीज.
5-6 maths?
अरे हाँ मतलब let's say GCD 8 like 8CF LCM वो वाला चीज.
Bro, okay, so you're telling me I struggle with 5th, 6th class maths
No, no,
question.
no. See, it's not that simple. The thing is like code forces ये है कि code forces it जो problem statements है ना
हाँ.
बहुत let's say lead code will ask you कि tree है you have to query this and just find this. Code forces will make a shit ass story and will just
Hmm.
do some random thing and बोलेगा कि you have to change this array blah 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 stuff like
Okay,
that.
okay.
So once you know how to navigate those waters, then it's pretty like once you know that कि अच्छा, when the question tells you to change the array, it's not really about changing the array. So it's about finding observation.
Okay.
Like you need some experience for that, but basics ठीक है. I think 1200 to 1300 rating would be greedy के लिए अच्छा question sir. Like greedy, because greedy में मैं भी अटक जाता हूँ. Like मेरे को like there is something called like greedy एक है कि अगर intuition से आया then होगा.
Hmm.
नहीं तो कभी नहीं होने वाला मेरा.
Okay.
And I can't prove greedy, right? So because it's very tough. I think 1400 to 1600 is a very good practice.
Okay.
Like for example, very good practice is a मैं contest पहले एक solve कर रहा था.
Hmm.
I think round 1602 diff 4 वाला. It's a very good question. Let me show you once.
What? It's 1025, bro. Okay, augmented tech, bro. I
Yeah,
see. You taught me a lot of things. Thank you for that. But I guess
yeah,
I need to wrap up because I haven't
yeah. It
even
makes
had
sense.
dinner
Makes
and like
sense.
my mom is also calling. You heard me.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense.
No, 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 no,
Uh,
no, no,
so,
no, 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 no. Okay, okay,
so
yeah.
will you? So will you give tomorrow's contest?
I plan to. I plan to. I plan to.
Yeah.
Bro, you
Then
can.
हाँ, then तो ठीक ही है.
Okay. Yeah. So, bro,
Then
let's thank everybody. Everybody thank Augmented Tech in the chat. He taught us binary lifting. He gave us so many resources, bro. You share this with me, okay? On
okay,
Reddit,
wait,
on
wait,
wherever.
yeah, let me share. Wait.
On Reddit, on
Uh,
wherever.
yeah. I'll send it on Reddit. Okay, so
Okay, okay,
so bye. Okay.
okay.
Uh,
Wait, he just left? What? Did he just leave? He just left. Bro, he didn't even say bye or anything. Okay, never mind, bro. Augmented Tech, if he's in the stream, bro. Thanks so much. And we have Entrant Hub now. We have Entrant Hub out right now. Ask him how he practices lead code or lead code. Bro, he did. Thanks, bro. Deed cancelled. Bro. Okay. Ratings are out. I won't lie, I have seen what Sarthak wrote. My rating is I am so close to night. God, please make me a night. Bi-weekly contest 170. What are people in the chat saying? Bhai bandi nahi hai. No, bro, not at all. Bro, you are night. Samarth, I am not. Chill out. It was this, right? View details. Let's see. Let's see the rankings. Whom should I search first for? Let's check Shaitan, bro. He got a very -20. Damn, bro. -25. Hard luck, bro. James did not give this contest, right? He did not. And let's check Augmented Tech. No usernames. Okay, maybe he gave it from some. Let's. Whom do we check now? Whom do we check now? Whom do we check now? Vikas Salgude. Vikas. Wait. Salgude. Bro. It's 23. Congratulations. Congratulations. Geeky Anshu. Bro, Geeky Anshu comes in every stream, bro. I now remember his name. Geeky Anshu. Plus 18. GG's. Vedansh Tomar, Demoralizer. Bro, I'll check a few people, then I'll check mine. Vedansh Tomar, plus 22. Well done, bro. Well done. Well done. Bro, okay. RY55. Bro, is nobody losing rating today? This guy is 2000 rated. RY 55, bro. That's crazy. Vipul bro is there. Let's check Vipul, bro. Minus 37. Vipul is that same guy who works in Nagaro, right? Or no, that's Vipul Rana. Oh, I mixed up. Not those who are okay, bro. Never mind, bro. The good thing is you attempted it honestly. क्या ही spam हो रहा है exactly? Galbotrix. Let's see. Plus 34, bro. Nobody is losing rating today. Now let's check mine. Let's go. Please. 1833. 1833. I was rated 2000. I'll be so close tonight and I won't be able to cross that barrier. Bro, Dumpy Don. Piyush, bro. Dumpy, sorry. Dumpydon. Dumpy Don. Plus 0.59. That's almost like no change. That's no change. Okay, bro. A few more rating and then we are ending the stream, bro. Why did Augmented Tech just left without even saying anything? Or did he say something I didn't hear? Demoralizer, bro. Did you cheat or something? Because it's just showing no change. Night after tomorrow's contest, let's go. No, bro. Today's contest was so easy. That's why I got good rating. I'm not gonna become knight tomorrow. I don't have a good feeling. He's banned. Yeah, makes sense. He's banned. Yep, he's banned. Demoralizer. Bro, let's check his profile. No. Let's check his profile. Demoralizer. Bro, Uday Kumar Maurya. You are getting -1. Bro, Uday, are you a knight? Are you a knight? Keshav Girase. Okay, bro. This guy is a knight. He's a CP guy, bro. Looks like he's a CP enthusiast. In just 12 contests, he reached knight 1855. I'm 1833, bro. I'm so close. I think it's only going to get tougher from now. Today was a lucky day because the contest was super easy. See me, Shaitan, bro. Yeah, I saw. You're getting -20. How did Shaitan mess up, bro? Umair Khan, 3.7. Okay, so close yet so far. Exactly. I'm literally near the border. Yet, heads up, Queen. Bro, 9 a.m. games. Bro, let's bring 9 a.m. games on one of the streams. Okay. Everybody, I'm sorry to all the other people I could not check. Bro, just go to Entrant Hub, go to this link, and you can check. It's 10:30. I need to have dinner. Okay. We also need to have wait. Right, we also need to sleep early. Tomorrow's there's a contest. My internet was not working today properly. Oh, okay. Hard luck. Bro, what did I pin? Unpin message. Right. We need to sleep early. Tomorrow there is contest. Tomorrow we become knight. Bro, am I jacked? Be honest. Be honest. Is this jacked? My fourth code is 320 lines. What? 320 lines? That's crazy. Tomorrow you're streaming? Yep, yes I am. Goku, yes. Bro, you didn't have to write the second word. Atharv is getting plus 42. That's crazy. In the call, something else was jacked. Okay, bro. Banyan achhi hai, exactly. Look at this. If you can read this. What does it say? Can you guys read this? Those who live in Delhi, they know where did I get this from. Those who live in Delhi, only they know where did I get this from. Okay. Donor do this. Prada, exactly. It says pad. Yep. Demoralizer. I got 70. Bro is flexing on us, brokey. Bro, this literally costs 250 rupees. This shit. This costs 250 rupees. That's it. It's not real. Of course, I'm not wearing a real Prada. Roni se liya na. Chill guy here. You are right. You are right. Sadar Bazaar na. Looks like you aren't going to the gym. No, I'm not going to the gym. Of course, you're right. I'm not going to the gym because I'm super busy with this intern and all that. Delhi Chor Bazaar. Okay, bro. Supreme Cosmos, you're getting banned. Rohini Market, no. That's where my college is, but no. So that's it for the stream. Thanks to Augmented Tech. He left very early. I don't know why. Like he didn't even say a goodbye or anything. Probably mistaken. But yeah, I'm into boys. Bro, I am not surprised, Goku. If you're into boys, I'm not surprised. Go to the gym, bro. Anti-jacked. What do you mean? Bro, this is definitely not anti-jacked. Look at my shoulders. Look at the traps. Look at the traps. This is definitely not anti-jacked. Okay, never mind. That's it. That's it for this stream. Bye bye. Let's meet tomorrow. In at 8 p.m. for tomorrow's stream. Bye.